Cape Coast, Sakrade, Azin, and Ahu. No place so they, yes, Mununkum Kakasado, Eviumsa, na any Yanabidi and Adanesa, the same Finch Mountain, na Echo in Remhom, and yes, should be able to say,
Akoma FM 87.9.
And then soon at the four, and I'm Indian swat and yelling the tree. The baby son, a baby dress ring, son of Bonnie Befrem. It's here if you want a yambra, if you machine so the Bonifant temperature. And kind of panel pound the film finds a and measurement temperature, Dr. Baby, a family and son, not a transfer by day, Adrian Ennin. If you from the film finds a cat, so the Pedi, a family and Sasa, like a transfer by day, Adrian. If you are from the September Kobe, a Biafan watches 38. Not a transfer by the Adrian in 26. And 20 a and Bobria, Yadema with you for in.
Okay. Meda was Robert Bibini I sign Aton Safro. For Robert Gani a weather forecaster and a human such a day abreno. Now I'll pay 3 things and I beshe. The president's address and Ra Matthew Opoku Prempe the concerns about Sadia Dumso. And so it's any approacher a bino air faso to ensuring. Now Enra I mean, what the Atudra say, Ubia and Kana Comantonium. A lot and a lot is on the way. A bino airship. Sir John, a quick one. There's something happening. I don't know, sir, what far?
Oh, Kofi.
And
Kofi, yeah, somehow kind
and
say, me frustrating and made the film therefore.
Yes.
As somehow kind, we drew one, I'm saying, same way.
What video?
Serious, Kofi.
What video?
Okay,
Messiah Samsung video. I'm trying to call whether Konya Juma or any of the Asqua environmental agencies.
Yeah.
But this is so serious.
Kofi, serious.
And I think we also need to talk to the more authorities now because this is a national edifice and you buying the idea. But of course, Obia Baho. And that is so serious.
Kofi, started from and the crowd there about the same crack on say who say traffic light here we share interval at this say Kofi hard drink and the do na me share no
say connected to the lights.
Yes.
The light no call off inconstant and on
inti anopai the betima can say hoso so no
enye adwuma okay light you know traffic light
inti ho me ba me ho na me steady free ba na me share from kakra mu say from that junction e ba nyina ba be pie anim ha e kwa to Makion hono na dina Kofi ho nyina ewura nko na me I thought say bia from maybe 5 bia nwura ya na anadwe ya na amasa ne mani nyina begu krom say but coming into it them who say yeah wo some yogurt nema ye gugu hono mo Kofi very bad and I believe that
from the mall celebration I'm told Sunday was a massive jam from yes Yenianum Zango community no and almo buy youth from the Zango's name
from Saturday
brothers
and
yes and say my enjoy area a why responsibility to ensure say and therefore I cannot I think say Belucci boy on the Facebook page
and we are very bad we need to talk to Penifua womu eshe and minim say Joel team anope
okay
Joel the Asokwa environmental department no on the head
let's get him right
definitely
let's get the Joe right now because it's so bad and I think we need to also get in them more authorities that therefore Oko Facebook page I want to believe say in the next few minutes Baluchi wrote that it is an area holding if he take you over and it's so terrible yet to me coming potemu wabra ye chi ya no sa niam we ekos ni ntimi enka ho asem owura kwabena free far more fire this week by brother Kofi brother good morning ya sebe amakuma himfie watching you from the gospel oak barbering shop and also Eddie out there ban Charles Bani senior Zuru good morning my brother I'm just so here and all the Facebook brothers are pay good morning ubetimi akoye Facebook page uba share video no na wa like page na fe would comment at all and pay ye mpatamu and ye di kanhwe and ye anim he ya uba kumase more anim ya ifia from over the weekend. I take you over following celebration from Union Muslims brothers. I won't take you over from the mall anymore. A baby equip. It is so terrible. And as to who are a bit mean so abba to have these filths a clean no, we need to interrogate it. Yeah, Mr. The city, the Asqua Assembly, no. What are they doing, and what is actually the situation? And then let's see what this situation. The more together with the more no omonso empany for and the other woman so I bit me aboa masa ifini nyina yet me so a clear my yankwa maso na yemisa that is environment. Okay, the man in charge for environment edema Asqua Assembly ni Joel anope mo ache mo akwa badeba Akoma FM
so
be ba cho bibia boko de
bibia boko
ani de mo ya aware say over the weekend na manfo ji wonani e wo mbo no inside ne entrance nyina
yanya aware mom yanya aware eno anu na minya call say mall hana ya mapa but na obia management and obia mboya man say maybe more program dia or more.
Now, in the midst of coronavirus, how possible, sir, okay, anyway, perhaps you are an environmental and sanitation officer. Those questions may not be within your jurisdiction. Now, and she said, between more non assembly in case of, say, if you need bisa ekoswa, what happens? Why responsibility?
Yeah, ideally, more no responsibility. Because yamra muno say uye juma ujuma die and our store immediate surrounding including store no animal honina you will say there's a overpra. So we are on fear una uju sika so we say there's come more no beshesu but who cano yenya hu ye bana hu say sine a to the extent that a buswa maybe assembly and sube boa more no na ehwe kwan ya be faso ade solve a problem but there who cut to say fin wo no me nyamba ho so obi anso mbo me amaneze ni amano aho no nye so ye who can exisia no ye baba ho immediately na be hwe de ye management no ye be ya ade afa you know.
For your Facebook page, we giving you the videos. See the current situation. I will come more. The entrance, could see traffic light. We move down. Call the popular eating place. Makion. Is engulfed with serious filth, and I tell you, sir, I have so dangerous. And reporter by over the weekend from Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, and you may know about 5. The area is open up for this Muslims community for enjoyment, and in the midst of COVID, meaning how possible say bibi sabit me akoso within the metro, the municipality, assembly, no, in terms of ensuring COVID protocol, munyawe.
Only the ideally no, as I say, war event be as I say, was observing COVID protocols. As much as I am in casa of event in the Monamin who in Shisha, no, mean casa maybe or more breaky COVID protocols, no, but ideally no, as I say, event be a we no, na at least as I say, Ubo assembly na money, na a security. Security na able provide and provide na ya ensure say COVID protocols no ya observe but we know ya make ma can say on my part as head of the sanitation no minya aware say program be kosu mall but me nim say maybe other schedule offices of the assembly no mbo mama ni ana onene dia mean for the meantime.
Observe for higher Akoma 87.9 FM within the Aduanaba Kofi Asante Ennin. Koma yedina potemu and sabi yentimi sorin kwaka obi dia wabra yenimu is engulfed with serious fields. Nina say over the weekend yenuanom nkramofo enjoyment past Saturday Sunday were the entrance of more inside around and everywhere. Now terribly choked field. My yanko minia Joe Pacho Jina Humano Suma ne John Bedu Bonsu Junior where marketing manager at the Kumasi City Mall. Minia Bonsu higher Akoma 87.9 FM Kofi Asante ni bibi aboko de.
Kofi boko na muzwe.
Nyame adom bibi aboko. One of the biggest event in terms of celebration Union Muslims so muguchiri we are. How far was over the weekend celebration at the mall and money or more interactions and movement?
Well, Kofi, thank you. I affirm me on this matter. Afidia, I don't know. There are two big Islamic celebrations on the calendar: the Eid al-Fitr and the Eid al-Adha. And after a long fast of about 30 days, they break it and we all make merry, enjoy, and thank God for the gift of life and His divine protection. So, as a community mall or as a mall for the people, we know, sir, we are one of the optimum destinations for our brothers and sisters when they are celebrating. And so we expect them to come all the time. And you know, that's a young fire more to answer your question. We are community more for the people and by the people, so everybody is welcome.
President, the last time address the chief imam, said COVID-19 na minimize the celebration. How best amutimi ensure say those protocols coming to the end of more no bitimi ediso.
Well, Kofi, as we all try our best to do at the okay, let me get this out of the way. When the gentleman from the assembly was talking, the mall did not host an event. In fact, so
yeah,
for about a year or more, we've not hosted a single event.
Okay,
that's because we know nipadodo program amoba and see things say control almost the COVID in some so it's a event. But nonetheless, a celebration now or so it's two different things. We did not host an event.
Okay.
Now, same question is
yeah.
On the Uramo now we have securities.
Yes.
The work of the security is to ensure that Obia Uramo Nibia number one or no mask, number two or share no mask.
In fact, my main confirm said the last time I made drive in my car, na me mobi or more me media boy crans and me room. That is a very commended one.
Yes. And yes, Anna. Even if anybody room pona obey it puts it at the back of the person's mind that a higher baby also will show mask. It's all the time, or you're very careful. And that's the first point of a year. I try to ensure that all the no mask policy is enforced. Now, on the mobile in group, maybe a fear back or now, or many probably a better 30, no matter and when they are coming now to tell them, say, to distance them physically, it is difficult because only for but when they are all in their nose masks, it's a bit controlled. And as you and I know, their numbers are huge, their numbers are large. We had to increase our security by 15 more personnel. In fact, we had to even bring the police to come and do patrol there so that we can adequately enforce it. We had to increase the number of our cleaning staff to make sure that the quantum of female aftermath will be curtailed. So, in as much as possible, as a business, I think so we did the best we could to make sure that all the safety protocols were adhered to. But the numbers that came there, we could do nothing about it unless I say any which as a business will be suicidal.
It will not be the best. One of the major concerns are no pay if and as much as someone try say we increasing number of cleaners, so minimum no pay wa bejuma ramo entrance from the traffic kwakusi Makion oba see yani ma Akoma FM ha the red opposite HM Echo Presby. I mean everywhere is engulfed with faith. Minimum CB no pay wa ha.
And that much, but it's still early days. I mean, about 6:50.
Yeah.
By 7:30 now, we're back on that shows the effectiveness of our cleaning management system. At a point, it got overwhelming. So we said to the team, so leave it.
Okay.
Early in the morning, let's start it and make sure that before the mall officially opens, which at 10 o'clock a.m. no. There is no single death in or around the mall.
Okay.
So Makion side, I think that's the assembly also handles those because Zoom lie on only at this. So I think when they come, they will do all the cleaning alongside them. But in and around the mall, there, at by 8:30, 9 o'clock, only came back for crowd.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So what I'm the ametias and say inside the mall, they say you fear, then you clean it. But the entrance, then accompanying man, echo traffic, it's as a result of Nigeria. If you know a free on extended by Honti, and no, when I said yes, or better so be planning now.
Okay, so as we can go in and around the mall there, it is on the mall no traffic. What the walkway near
okay.
But quite move on connect there and the assembly say the Zoom line, the assembling contractors now, that is their work. But in and around the mall, they said they all can Akoma FM on everything for traffic or that enclave now, a come on Luciano. That one it is cleaning company that will do it.
Okay.
But any other place, I think say in the no so omutia or taxes near identity. These are all part of the things we do.
Okay. And your assurance say latest by 8:39 there. Now you who fibia around with him.
I'm surprised for you. Last 2 years now, anyhow.
Last 2 years, never near Akoma FM.
And never they say last 2 years. But after I think around 10 o'clock, I remember saying man,
me team confirm actually it was terrible, but you were able to put the situation under control.
And that's one of the advantages of when you delegate certain part of the jobs to companies. A cleaning company, they're cleaning at the mall, so it is their work to make sure it is 100% clean. So don't worry. By 9:30, you can come and pass by. I bet brand new.
We are this uncle. I mean, a quick one. I mean, wrap up with the Joe Guma. Joe.
Yeah.
Now, what the marketing manager for Kumasi City Mall? A quick reaction from you, because I say the Aka form Akoma Hall, the overflow there. I mean, you know, tax and the assembly no. Cleaning department no say mobitimi aprani nyina nso da be na tambe na musumba be pramo de
they are met my kakakra for the meantime on air ni say sa year or no can say we deem no woman liabilities no yeah but ono ne de yanka no after this conversation no many Zoom lion for better get to an amount of choir, so finance, but after that, yana more management, now you take steps, subsequent events, and our occasions, measures are able to form us problem and CB on a number, but Yameramono, a bad local government act, we hear any occasion and our any business attracting Kufuba around. That's the big dema. We say there's a see that immediate surrounding Nina. Won't mean benefit now what your liabilities are there more be. Sana ya art ni but for and I'm saying few on arrangements be on assembly Zoom line be boom after choir you best solve it the situation with immediate effect.
Okay, Joel Anopay Ebedawase, Environmental Health Officer for Municipal Assembly. We are grateful. Now, John Bedu Bunsu, Junior, a marketing manager for Kumasi City Mall. Many with the at least
Akoma FM 8.
Yeah, share the negative side. We look at a quick of a positive. So far, more Kumasi more cost in terms of comparing a baby na nkranfo 3 and say ja Kumasi the ebe will be ampu my central market dwane KGT dwane. How far is business going?
Oh, so far so good. I can't time for no more the homo.
I see.
You know, it's doing very well. Now the more it's at the stage there's stability. You know, now you can do proper forecasting and proper planning because you know the number of people that comes in a month, you know the average spend per head, you know the total spend per building. So we are at a level and now we are more direct in our approach, and the city have accepted them more. In fact, nobody comes to Kumasi without permitting them more. And there are other places. There's a Radway Park. There are other places that our Muslim brothers and sisters can come. Although it comes with its side on a bit of negativity in terms of senior idea, okay, but it is with pride. Because so our friends and our Muslim brothers saw them more as the ultimate destination they should come to celebrate. It shows the prestige which they give to the place, and it is for everybody. So far they're fantastic. I think we've done well. 4 years down the line, we are going into our 5th year, and it's just been hard work and so much fruits.
Minia Medawas Mijiri Sebibinia Messiah Atron Safro. We are grateful for the time. Okay. So for higher Akoma 87.9 FM, Koma Yampotemu, and say, you see, when you soon pray and sana wako you will be there. Oba Nimheya Kumasa more near Akoma FM, Enimha. Yeah, over the weekend, Irianum Muslim new for Ebeji Wanania. It was so serious. Pachoko Facebook page, share video no na what do comment at the tour. You like the page now, watch a video now, do comment at the tour. Nothing, Yamre ni akenkan at the amount. Now watch a lot of terrible issues, any situation, event, and a SCA. Na bakwa a very serious. Insua a toy na enyinam kanea hoden ete ekodgu obi fie so a ahye abusuani nyina na so serious and opay ye beto ebo ase na yakọ abusuan son wo mu nyina awu ukọ Facebook page Beluchi and any team ebe ye ho adwuma de amaye and so dangerous na and opay maybe that ho papa nanu nsuo nso a etoye nanu memeda anadwo aze kwasi adam pa anadwo nsuo no to kwasi adam anadwo a heavy one eno nso nipa mienu na ahwe won kwa wa Asante mantam bridges ahodo mia ahodo bebre aye flooded anopay ye de ni nyina eberu e de amaw na watimi nso ahu ne ekoso na mamenkọ ahomaso na ye ne yenua Fatao Fuseni ewo ahafo region a very bad event any situation ese nipa nso ahwe won kwa Fatao bibi abokọ de
nyankopon adom anano pe wode ye kra nso ache
I was here gume menhwe nipa ma me ne ma ne wo nyina egu ho ya de potinesi ya abusua nson wo nyina to e wo hwediem e wo eye ben amanfro
me da se openi kese ya wre hosem na ashi e wo Asante South district no nso wo ahafo region mu ebi nyina ne se efia da ye kwam ya on the 14th of May 2021 anile there is a nunsia na ensu brani esase se eto ewa ha na nsuo ni tɔ ya ma edu baabi no na aboro so ti ɛba sɛ ayeramo ɛhyɛ ahyɛ keke ɛne agrada nso ebibibibibibia ti enum ɛne mframa kɛseɛ na ɛɛbɔ no ɛte ɛyɛ electric wire anaasɛ electricity a anyinam ahoɔden no na homa tentene no a ɛno wɔ high tension no so na ɛbɛbɛ fa pole no so ansa na atumi ama wɔn light na ɛte baako na ɛbɛtɔ wɔn dan a wɔn da mu no ɛso wabra ɛda so no wɔn ahu na mframa no na ano ɔdi ne nti no ɛyɛ sɛ ɛɛpa wɔn nkyɛnsee no nyinaa asan afiri dan no so yɛba asa na ɛwɔ sɛ wɔn pie firi dan no mu na wɔn kɔ amanfo wɔn fie ɛbɛn wɔn deɛ no na wɔn kɔ bɔ wɔn ho adwa not knowing say saa na ahoma no a ate da wɔn dan no so no ɛnam nsuo no a ɛretɔ ne nti no ama nsuo no egu wɔn anim hɔ no ɛne wɔn iron gate no a ɛno ɛda wɔn kyɛ sɛ wɔn fie no anim no nyinaa no ahoma no atɔ so ama egya aba mu plus na ɛyɛ life wire nti na kyɛ sɛ wode wɔn nsa ka a ebituma akisiw ama wahwere wɔn kwa na wɔn nim nti wɔn pie akɔ no na wɔn so wɔn iron gate no nso wɔn bie no ɛne amunum hɔ a ana yɛ sɛ ɛsɔki wɔn nyinaa ama wɔn efiri tɔɔyɛ wɔn nso a wɔn ansɔ ɛyɛ kyɛ sɛ dadeɛ no mu bi wɔn yɛ so wɔn pie gya no na wotia nsuo no mu nso a na kyɛ sɛ asɔki wa ɛno nso so na watɔ fam wɔ hɔ nti nipa baako nso ɛna amunum hɔ a light no nso etimi akyi wɔn wɔn te sɛ wɔn nyinaa kɔ pie mu ɛwɔ St. Elizabeth Hospital wɔ Hwidiem ɛno nso wɔ Asutifi South wɔ akɔrɔ akyi ebia na ebi mu ewu yɛ na wɔn kɔ duru hɔ nom no awerɛhosɛm a na ɛno ewu mu ne sɛ mmaa no bi ewu na nkwadaa ɛne mmarima ewu yɛ a edie nsa kan yɛ Janet Kwatene onya mfinhyia aduasa na ɔno yɛ ɔbaa owuye ka akyire anya mfinhyia aduonu enum 25 ana ya beta ɔno so anya aduonu nkono 29 oduro Christian enso anya mfinhyia no ɛyɛ edum ɛyɛ 914 ana so kɔ nkwadaa na ɔmu so nka ho no so a ɛno so nya Timon Agyeman ɔnya 7 years Emmanuela Agyeman 2 years Agyenim Boateng 4 years nyinaa nso ahwere wɔn nkwa no kete aka nipa miɛnsa wɔn so baako deɛ o critical condition mienu ana sɛ tie meti maka sɛ wɔn ho ato wɔn a nam saa nso brane ɛtɔ yɛ wɔ TV South wa no amanfom tie mi no kete light asɔko nipa baako ɛyɛ nso ama amunumu a wɔn nyinaa no nso ato na na wɔn hyɛ do.
So for Fatal Fuseni, secretary for the area and eyewitness, was very bizarre disaster I see over the weekend. Half region. So for Okoye Facebook page, family nina who are watching their video, and maybe I hope papa, yes, so terrible. ECG edum main light na wono na munya kwan rescue on. Anase eyeden na ontimi eyi wo
ebasa no omu frey ema wo mo ehwe light no so no eba ho nti omu di omu nyansa mu no omu nim kwan a omu fa so na omu yi ahoma no ebi firi ho na ebasa no na afi na kwanya ba mu a nipa betimi akofie ho ebasa de o se video security ni ade ekuditwae no a nipa bodo mpimo ho pa aje so mo sisa o mu nyina na dwono edu o mu ko no mu na trepre ni nyina aka ho edu o mu ko ade chi ya no na eye honorable Yabuache ono eye minister fofra yanjinu ewa hafumantem ha oni nadmufo mpemifo enso ebuwura mu ewo hoko tietie sɛ asɛm no esiko ye ene emwa womletimi edi aboa amanfom kuro no ene abusua no ankasa no a sa awrehusem wei akɔ edi ama o
okay Fatao Jinasoma me okay Fatao Jinasoma me na me ne Ernest Karim we assembly member for the area Ernest baby aboko de
ya me ne mo pai boboko
ayrobo sami he so serious abusua nso wo nyina wu and mami nyantiase na nipa ba ko ne so mu na ana no mu nyina be so mu bi na ba ko ye no mahu let me have the picture because that's a ntiase we chiri kakra.
Only am that it. Emra na nsuo no ne mframa no sate ye no. Wohwe fie hɔ no a ɛdan no ɛyɛ dan a na ɛyɛ dan dada.
Okay.
Obi si ɛdan mono baako ɛbɛto aso. Emra na mframa no sate a ne pege amanfo dan no. Omu nyinaa die mika bewura ɛdan mono no. So omu nyinaa bi ya dan dada ne so apega. And to me, we are one of them on a cable, let's see, you know, a man, you know. Like the control in chance and it's not such a year. And to move the cat to move today. And the same person is soon as Patia Neto. And tonight you don't get you so. You should not come of London when you know, I'm not having man at 3 and so soon. And to make them to move piano, you get one a boom in our shade. Soon.
Enti saa busua nyinaa ye maame ne ne mba na papa na ofi ono wai.
Papa no kwa de ma papa na di ka bo na to ba bi kura ono da ba bi. Ya nyame abo ani so wono ba bi na nsu ne tene ba no. O da bo no ko to e firi sia nsu no ko to akiri. Kura no so da ho anu wonti ne nsore. Enti ku ba ko ye ni pensia.
Jesus.
Ana ba ko ye different person or so be kan wo.
My God. Enti mu ye den na at the end of the day mutimi a rescue o mu nyina.
Ye wo mu se na boy bi okuro mu ho a ono wonim kan ya ho dwuma kakra. Enti emre ba sa no wo dim di ka ko transformer no ho. E ko tu fuse no. Enti sama ana viara for so duru ho no mo a amone fire for am be bo aye ma o mu timpeja mu no e ko Elizabeth Hospital.
Wow. Inte kania no main transformer no na mukodum ne nyasa enka nipa dodo akra ebe wuo de enka na fom.
Unia enka want men do transformer no ad kede be siwa manfro mu de nenka enya asem papa kra.
So for safen wa join discussion na ensuo a etoye na no fiada ewo Ahafo region amanfrom a very bizarre moment. A family of 7. Womunyina share your Facebook page. Womunyina egu ho a nkwala ne ma womunyina ewu. Yes, so serious. Mera ho papa, and that is the event and the situation. Yene assembly member for the area, NS Karim Kasana, a journalist, a reporter in the area, on also my account. And a police for take over investigation. Na then and our more are coming to conclusion with
a police for abaho omoba fly dinner and you know I didn't see memenda or mobile as you see at Omugusua or Moyo.
Okay. Mate and 10 year Nyamea Domoa Bibinia Besign Atonsa Edia from
only an area was my woman say Obama from why Danya Abu let Danya Swap Paddy, ye Kaya and Yano. I know more free monos so. Bakokra Adan the Barbe was in 9 Kakuta and then honestly now Musu about that hospital. And here, if I when you was ceremony, yes, or more Muntemubi says here the amount from Yam Wapa.
More idea as assembly member, Dando Dua Bubune, Japadia say.
Only a day I said, Mr. Make my country was say a day at Bunum.
Wow. A bubu ana a pepa.
A dear bukura.
Wow, that's serious. Karim, but I was say, and sir, from Saturday, Sunday, the Insubia Yantoy. Until Friday,
Saturday in the toy and Radi,
but Saturday, there and for disaster biama. This was Friday. That is serious. Ernest Karim, Medawas, Ernest Karim, a assembly member at the among from Ben Shidim or Ahafo region, a whole story near the Eba. Now, Yamre Kumasi, another serious event and situation, and also at the Abat, and that is Achuma Kwama Therefore, another video and story eba nsuo nso etoye wo Asante Mantemu. Enipa ba ko ehwere ne nkwa Beluchi be that video no amaye edan abu ebu akum nipa na Sedon. I don't know. Let's watch this video. We'll share video Nadmo officer Kwabena Century and Wamukudi Echri. It's a dino abu. And if you go Facebook page, you are watching everything live. Yes, so serious. But the don't me were concerned back who say insure at all Asante Mantemu bia your problem. Na yakoba and yes saba BCH. We ya say one developer be and he developed that area. And this Manfuaka Woody Sikenti. That's why he developed. And in the Yakoba na ya sign about. There's a Sunday in Suya.
Yes, Kofi.
A toy. And
me
Saturday, Sunday.
Yes, me share video no aha.
Where the area now I have flooded. This is a Tumakwa. But there is a video and also a Danya Buakum Abusiam you and so but this video I wish to see a dear insure no toy a dear bad because of developer beer or developer area. In fact, Enra, the NADMO officer for the area and a fray was say they look and they sounded very helpless. Nobody appears to listen to them. This is as a result of a young aswadiya and this is what is going on. Mamene Atuma Kwawoma Nadmo district director, operation director in charge of operations, Kofi Ewo Ahomaso, Kofi Totime. Kofi Bibi Aboko there. Kofi full name near Kofi Bay.
Totime.
Okay, Kofi Totime. Okay. Kofi video I made see fa pote na ye hwe sa video fa and we try video ye hwe
we dey Kofi Asante na me ka say
I when Kofi Asante na ka say
ne mamentia woni wati for ne Ghana for nyina mu tie na me so bi aden say ye nyina na ye nim raso ye bi raso a ta ne na ye fie no ye hu biem na Kofi video a wo hwe free abo kese no wo atuma kwa homa de se de wa kan no ujira se de na ofa konkoli kwan a sa kwan na bia besi sokoban eba daban no ne ahojo ekọ edum wo fi kwa homa na akwa abo kese na video wo hi
na exactly what is the situation then ensu atimi ayirafa the entire place but who say fear ni ade adensu what happened?
Yeah, Kofi, me 8-9 years experience working as an admin staff here. Yeah, experience is that over 6 months, 8 months ni. And I have experience. Last 2 years, we shoot or pass. Why we need my gas crap papa? But then, yeah, na assemblyman and I in the call rounds. This year no more so by. Am I a there is one woman beer or big hotel in Sherry Ahojume, and there is one man being swap or no so no woman no the opposite side when you feel back heading towards
no with him if so facts and they said they are developing just mention their names. I mean you are not more officer, you are talking as an authority and to feel free will be as somebody dino open up because if just sure say if you know as a NADMO district operations director said they all kind of facts and quadia open up and let's get it because
Kofi Mate Crystal Rose actually in Su on the right side when you are coming from Kumasi to Kwangoma and
water way and what feeling
yes
and you are
my team no
and you are saying sir a Crystal Rose right?
Crystal Rose, yes,
that is the owner.
Yes,
I see.
And I level. And a Lord Bam, and so feeling the opposite. Enti Lord Bam deɛ no ɛna community a work say hɔ nyinaa no yɛkasa wi am the assembly member number bɛma ɔno wa.
That is the CEO of Lord Bam, and as a Lord Bam as a company, because company is different from a person.
The CEO Lord Bam
Okay.
Crowd make sure no produce your money man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What to worry after the also what they encroaching so na da hɔ no. Ɔno kra bɔ deɛ wadia bensuo ni mama nsuo no kra nra afo de na yi de dre. Nti ɛhɔ no deɛ ɔmo mu ti wɔ nyinaa no. Wokɔ na akɔ ha do bɛni ade esi wɔ nyinaa na nsuo ne fa no. Nsuo na mfa hɔ biem. After the nkrofo fie ne nam Pentecost asɔre no ne ade a wɔ nyinaa.
Wow.
Nsuo no wa wokɔ gyina hɔ kra na yɛ de tape measure to from nsuo no ba hɔ na anka yɛ fa ne sɛ kɛse sɛ ufrited and Kalkokuchi. But this time round, no. Sorry, but this time round, no. So not every way about the Franco Fofi. And I say, a madine or mama, it took us 5 good hours. Take me and soon be to my perform. And then you to you free them.
Wow. I just say, Manfo were entrapped as a result of Intuna buying.
Yes. People were trapped.
And Sir Lord Bam and Crystal Rose and Southwind. What me engage you among why permit bend the crowd more? There are Nina and Chuma, right?
Yeah.
Now assembly no we are where so mama more permit our modia sa feeling no ne sunny many now or dear.
Kofi and DC Namna this year.
Oh, okay. And the DC himself was part of the team and I'm okay visit no.
Yes, and this year assembly engineer so make a turn the street say a honor this and that. In the Atmo catcher man say they will call them and will know what to do.
Does it mean say one more a catch them so more permit and one more that feeling nana?
Kofi, I don't think some more permit because meaning district engineer and ya also so near my way so. And I won't say, Pedro, way I can you know, and I don't know mobile. I don't know my best selling. Now I'm going to see a react over no be anyone. I quite remember maybe crack the external side, you're quite not rasta for being a theater. So some young guys, they could not even give us the number near dinner. You know, Sana Ecoso. By saying a wake up call to everybody will be off a kind of so. And no soon, you know, as soon as I swap on the nearest gas filling station, how 8 good years. And this is a circle. I can bring a near pata. And then say, when a pie gas nanka, look at what will happen.
Wow. And for now, we know district engineer, the DCE, which is Ochiteria, the NADMU, and Amoko talk, how devastating the situation has been. As we speak, and Sue, a fair neighbor, Tona Cassia. Now these concerns immediately decision better take here as assembly.
And I'm the district director. Any around meeting, and deputy so by, and you know, Obia, why engaging a home, Amasa effect to an abba, a man crofono. You invite your mom, say, or say, I'm a boy 9:30 your mom office. Then I have to you because Enron a while soon say. Achumakwa eye kokobe so nipa me nu wuye oba ni ku
ehona dan no bukum omo na na okay Baluchi Beru that a video a dan ebukum but ehona ye hefa pote
ehona ye anema kokobe former friend the Frelina na ehono they say Dr. Mensah na taught that area or DNA producing in room who Dr. Mensah have a Assemblies of God. From Assemblies of God, no, as I say, and that one, if I not to wall, and we see one room also. And Obin so in the wall, no, in the booyah, a cool boots are dying. Now, unfortunately for the husband and the wife, no muti wall, the other side was the wall, the bugu also. And I have now so Osha, a boom came around there 12. Time out, good Samaritan crack, or head a wall and a boo, it was about 7:30. Today, swap I put them, and I want to say, go over they are dead and gone.
Wow. This is terrible.
Yeah, Kofi, Kochi, and nkransa sie so ye frɛ baabi Dawu Johnson so oni mo kochia oba be fra ko nkransa no Peter fo bi mu ho nso na super na no anso na fa aboabo kese ho people are building on the waterways now. It's just becoming unbecoming. And not family now man for TV and also videos in here, you know. I feel in the mirror office in the best send you. Now I say young cry at the best fashion. Now got and puntu. The embankment moment puntu so. Akoso.
Minua meda wasepa busanfo abrante ni din komo Kofi ni din ye Kofi Totme. Ono ye director of operations ewa Atwoma Kwawoma Nadmo, and that is a disaster if free so eba as a result of ensue any the total negligence and selfish interest by individuals. Disaster is looming. Ewa Asante manta ensue ya fe na eba abeto, and we're going to experience a very terrible event. Now, at your Facebook page na edaya ebukum will be any not more operations. Medawase, I will talk to my regional director Kwamna Century standing by on the line.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, too bad. I think Century line mumna may you from it. Therefore, Muntia we mame na menko ahomaso na fe yene regional Nadmo director in Nkoma, but mo share Facebook page video we ne diner ebukum ura no right ya as a result of Yusubai, and it will be
Abraham FM 87.9.
Say the Miamini Bosuno, Bright Soldier Capsules, a Dima Sama Mamio, share because on Kwana new Bright Soldier, a free Bram shall say some use Bright Gallic Plus, no, Mensanati Titinano, Menuswane Chirimi, and Menuma Tunino, a Jai, Mititiso Conco, Unim Wenina, now dear Sieme, Abraham complaining, Miss Sissy, Anima Tinka now conform and will be Chirami, Bright Soldier Capsules, a jet to raw.
Bright Soldier, a to me general body pains, Bright Soldier, and a Bright Gallic Plus, a Yatatashi, Pharmacy, Chemical, and a herbal shop will be a Mukwajo, Bright Soldier, and a Bright Gallic Plus. A Tufonko Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic, a Wonungwa Dogon, last stop, SL Junction, Flower 0243-983-906.
And 0261 651 898. Bright Gallic Capsules, a Yadrotata She FDA, a Shishasa, a Gadian Kratui, a Jatum say.
Doctors Edison, Naso de Nimonia Tina Procope, Dr. God bless. Or draw or say a dear say a banner bibidroma on Nissa so Ghana. Obama Moyamre, Esha, Anna Awu, Asmayare, Anasa stroke, why a Cassiado, any idea, a Kayade, Anasa and Queen, and Namunya who do in our Batinete, Sasabro, Anasa Kaka, Unamanin Sansa, Anasa who low spam count. Dr. God bless, Eba Sawayade, Wakwampo Abawo, hepatitis B, any cocoa, Dr. Sabra, what your global count that crope, one more pair, I won't put your Udruha, on no Caprabampo, Obama Obesisia. Adibaqua Dr. Yahua Diapa, a crew, say diabetes crew, and now a crew beer for the Dr. Shea, and Nam the Juma Penti, Duana Bonamanesa, Obabra, Omafa, Yadiako, one Tajik Casianso, Uba Dr. God bless, our Asuka, TV 342, Frenom, our 0243 641860, 0243 641860. Dr. God bless, Udi and Wajuma Fatao.
Akoma FM 87.9.
I Akoma 87.9 FM. We need Aduanaba Kofi Asante. Now, you are watching a video. A dying ebu na ekwabusia, very, 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 very terrible one. And Mamin Kwawoma Sunamene Regional Nadmo Director Kwamna Century Ninkomo Century. Minimo, but Afibia Yabani Samba Bidi Sankomwe. Mami, details of sa disaster here, SC. Apart from we more other records within the region, sir, the forefront Sunsu for Wama, Ebia Yamia Domomo, the Omen Frimo.
Yo, Kofi, what's your frame and a play number mentia, Abusia, or Mashi, one this year, one of my Japadia saying, Memomo Yako, or Momo preparing.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Mentia, Divisional Commander was Swami, Mr. Aqua. Quasiadano. Now, much, 325. And our friend say, not just police are friendly, almost fair landline, but no be any use your emergency call center. Enti almost friend no friend won't say apatrapa Swabiase. And he quickly of frame and I don't know. And also when enemy I'm saying I'm ever ready. No see apatrapa. Flood in the sea and yet nipa for a trap back with the require emergency.
Apatrapa ya patrapa ma patrapa.
Yeah, one kaso apatrapa ya. It wasn't easy.
Wow.
Na and Chebia and other areas, you know. Me two car fast one me FIFA airport
Akoma FM 87.9
Peleli numina na hunyina flooded because the style is usually toy and Kofi one here obeda pa na on say toy that na game one that see the last you need a toy free one na toy pa na makola na oneka sa no Kofi kase yeni emraso anamebwa
exactly
na kupon nim se nipa waboye ye ni mraso enti na osade mradu ebeka eho no Kofi mbua
pa
DC any your friend is saying engineer happens to be a very nice person in a way, but we are jubasem enti memfa no emma ho omukọ ho ekoye den
Akoma FM 87.9
but meanwhile no mo and the entire Atuma Kwanguma district ni nyina no ye di tumi ahye mo nsa se bibi biara emra ya ya mamuni abandi ne di aka ho, that is the act 963 or whatever. Yeah, the mamu. And they are saying, legislative instrument. And one Katasa govern Achuma. So, and Achuma and Katasa war more assembly Nasa war more bylaws. Kofi. Because assembly need bylaws, you need politics for MTPD, editing no parking. Kofi, so what must say?
Ethiopia.
And this we are engineer. We are DC. Let's say, Kwako who say that mo follow Potoma mo say, and I do know mo failure. I will go bubu. Kofi Mano.
Amen. Sir, you are just stating the obvious. Intimitio.
Omusina na jua. I will go bubu. Kofi radio utisui. Obi frame na jua. Memfa in a sense. Obi frame already no so anajua. Memfa because oh no. Onye juma na jo. Daytime na ye juma mboa.
Pa.
We are morning show. And to be to know ya so the no frame ya. Because just a Kofi Asante program no ABL permit na ebumi. And these are the things yama the engineers. Engineers you know pickups. And no so medical rounds monitoring. Assembly near budget is what you say just come all the department for monitoring. And development plan is who monitoring and evaluation. And the monitoring almost
Akoma FM 87.9
Baby, I'm a minute papa no we no. Who was a district director now? Prince. Many the same DC union ajadini no. The catch almost say a dan dey assisted there. He that say one mo be mo twa go to atufie ni sisi and I say bebu including the MPP constituency chairman Papa Fie and then the building is abandoned I abrosai ya buangu bebu akubi enti emrani ya kama na emi ngwa se okofa assemblyman no because ababu kesi no Kofi nene me yiri ya property wo enti ababu kesi assemblyman ya beye kwan na wo frebe but unauthorized structure kosu beba ni pa ewu a wo fre
enti mebo century 1 Atuma Kwahoma and nipa 2 ewu ye right and ehwa so na o say 1 Crystal Rose Hotel and Lord Bam some for video I wish to see this is the family omo twi nipa na free moban. Oh my God, my God, my God, my God. This is terrible. Just a diner buegu nipa na so. And in the video, you know, one mobano. Oh Jesus, this is so serious. Century, we are just not serious as a country.
The same district, but when we say Ultra double road benefits and taxi banner. Oh, economic this is here.
Oh Jesus.
On your right. On your right. Oh, economy refinity. Obin Kaime. So on your right. It's down the basa. And on your left is what? Oh, say ABC. ABC big hospital bill for America and ABC war. There is another dangerous you are. And Deputy Secretary Asante Region MPP lawyer Dumapia and some friend of the Python. Yes, alcohol. So I'm running at Chumangwa, meaning the entire Asante region. No, there is all this kind of but Chumangwa is developing very, very fast. And there was a DC engineer, netbook, woman you call home. Takofi, maybe I acquire and people doesn't understand me. And you're my but Senadmo, you were Elia, you were at 927 or 927. But you need Elia, you started Elia now, we couldn't compete. Because wouldn't be say, fire service for Niako. I don't blame them. Because Omu Elia, they are establishing fire. No, what else Nadmo we don't have. And the Kofi Senadmo, you were quite any 2 minutes and can emergency thing. You were 2 minutes to Bugua. Wow. But I'm saying for excavator, yes, can't we procure one? Near from a boo. I talk about not Mokrata with excavator site to see Accra. So what do we wait?
Now, Century, Enra, or moi, or more in Buakwa from a Buakwa Mercru, call Agogo. Oh my God. And Fifi Ultra, the one Dr. Wa Hospital. Usane nsuo kakra bi ho and area nina was flooded and abakumedi ukọ Shremanso area ho nyina ukọ Buakwa Housing da bia bridge afibia ekum nkofo esi a ye twen ne ata hu nipa dodo a eja bridge no ebeku nsuo no beku ho mo ansana nti we are not counting when I yebekwa akoye fix it for now. All what we are counting is any person. We are only praying, sir. Bebre, but you say then said the honey and bekum nipa. And for the past 5-6 years, a kum nipa my kum nipa almost 10 as a result of total negligence, the total incompetence.
It's more than 10. I can give you the we say with the Wukumasi and I can give you the entire Asante region.
No, I'm century me can one place, one spot. Not more Asante. I tell you for video I will show you. You're just watching everything. This is so bizarre. And century maybe because every year and come away tama na me walk me old station tama every year perennially I just afibia ya babe trance na ye din koma and oh my God. Just like that.
Mami Samao, sa enra me kwayi wo Araga. What you say? You see one of Gamba lies. Na Kofi me do hono. One will say attachment. So quickly I raise up my head and look at the kind of warrior. Yeah. When we say attachment, you know, we need a proper electrification via mamu. And the wires need to be nam so ne ade. Kofi, that's electricity for so omo konkore. Idea and so bit my DNA. Serious. Na Kofi, mame fa kwanya we so na mentia mame sewa kebitia ono so the first wall ono so area ho ba bia ono the first wall. The no ebubui but the lot of say first wall no me no and yet closer to the main building. Other than that, you know, the main building ebeti mebubu asagu. Well, enti Kofi media me the American say me kan tintin bia the American teacher and say me enra development control officer agedi mboate me madam for no my report na ma honorable Dambotri me the phone number nyina aka no Kofi is time one I was a local government minister no what you say on collaborating with NADMO na engineers are ebeye sa no ma we nyina no sa engineers ni nyina no we have to sanction them or we sack them so engineers no lances I was say itimiji wo lances every woman same woman bi so I think say the teacher need itimiji lances and sana what dia then every institutional body what system the professional body what system no should also obtain licenses yes idea a normal day because we had pursue beer and that will be an appointment the first thing that comes to mind and he said obesity and obedient was nyame tu nsema obesi nyame antu nsem so a there was who to us here e dey obabi beba besi ato aso enti e be say what is going on is too bad na nsuo no sunu enya ntonwie nsuo no sunu eba enti e be sire me sabedu ni nuanom they should look up to for your friend say unauthorized structures no na yen hwe say baby attachment na no Kofi you be using na free system no mu na mo proper notification.
So, how many buildings are recommended for demolition over the period yen demolish here?
Kofi mamensa fa nko atwuma kwa mam say ho ni ebofodu o ti ase ye ko ho a o say otra ho no kra no asori dan bi she e fom ho baabi otra double road na wo ko wani mu a asori dan bi e she fom ho baabi Kofi almost every year bia no asori ni abandoned is in almost every year biano actually be that so ekum nipa almost every year bia nipa wo na ukọ wonsa before do wonsa right uwe mu a ye ko tu asoro dan a esi nsuo mu a eho gina afade memenda na sofo no aso fana azizi so a opese ewo efomu wo gina na de chi kwese da wa ya so look at all this me amini this is na ko hwe what has happened to it. So just Kofi adanya main kasa adan no manipa yemu enhihye womo but they have the report what we need report na Kofi I can give you the report na yenhwe those that are buildings are what engineers no chom no mu chom engineering structure so it's too bad Kofi enye ubesi dan be wi na se dan na nkasa ku a Kofi fa so be na wo so your building code wo bibia wo yenhwe yensi dan na nya kama engineers for no mu open mu doors wide say the beya obi esi dan a obi abetimi abamu no abeji advice every more so what you say obetimi abeji advice every more ye filisio ye filiwe what ye na najo
okay observe high Akoma 87.9 FM afi aso a Asante mantamu yaye ho sebe aboa wo pete nsuo tope akina me si dance si nsuo ne tie awia boy ya na ewre fi and that is the situation we are in it was someone out of pay discuss from for region abusua ma akoma akonson nyam kane nsuo ato ma ahoma na bete egom fi ama wo nyina awu enra enipa mienu na ahwe won kwa e wa Asante mantamatuma kwa homa ni nyina ne se nsuo to ma nsuo na yiri afo dan be dan no ebu okum na wo hwe no we Facebook page se see several other areas flooded ani padodo na no nyame nko a na ye ne regional animal director na edin koma kwa branch nchire as part of the discussion ye nua bi afrese onon so area there's a looming danger I will be a sit down when a chia why onya no ye bia hello Bema good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho
Asante.
whiny.
Me am Asante. champion take 5.
Okay. What's it? We'll see to area no him fan. What is the problem?
Problem ni na say once I fa even say social hotel on fit bi wo ye kire ho a ya kan Kofi
Pacho, what's say area no him fan bi?
So who free social school mon mo presby school mo esane aba ye fence kilavi ho no ma ana krapa ho no ma Ubosa bridge bi so ba hwa ebe 6 months ago sai so bi na to na e fa akora bi a ekokun no so ni ko yin to apino ho no
yeah
ye bo ho ka man for bo ho ka no sa area wa sa bridge na ana guy bi abaji land na chi sei no ana odi wa ye fita ana Kofi wa block enso na say da ayi na say ankekoto main street na dey corner wa block baby ana chi sei enso ni to a na yafa me ye fie ni the next one no ama chi sei ye bibi anya ye Kofi sei o because o do ani be hwe asukafi a enso pan wo ma be doubt sei enso nyina afa ye ase enso na no eto ye besi na ni nyina sa tata
na assembly no enya we
assembly min dia me nya pani century even po my report the amano say ni na yekoso ana o ma mi ko hu director sa engineer na ba betu na event say negate boy ni sa ko by sisi anu asa the gate na be say ma still order so ya adwuma no o ka o say am complain na to asase na ma no but asase we asase asabi e ton de me nipa de be fita o
amakohinam time na assembly no na authority to decide so be see na wonsi
no mi ko bo sa na me say ko asame ma no ko busa ne say o ma hwe de boy bi abeye na ekira o ka tell say akoye na ntikuro
so residents now you are just not angry enough. You should take up and sue the person and answer take it up mobilize us residents because we are no individual now toward ya nothing will happen. I must tell you because crow we are survivor of the fittest as MC now we are home but to any kwabra do sika janaka that is the situation we are in now so am wani ayedin now what take it up say court rules and mra oni ade kwabra say we are aware of this champion take 5 issue okay. And what has happened?
Na nyana mkase onko engineer no. Na wasenka de aka. Yes, na na makomuni ebetoni ama. Oye from Shubia. In a sense hono udia cabbage na udia carrot another salad and lotus
exactly.
Onye na nam body. But say usina na atoni ama. Oye mechanical. Fine. Who engineer no? Me ma take 5 be who no. She no say the obey structure no. Get all the community no around no involved. Next year no say the obey structure no. Holland ekrono esisium. Tamahabo esisium takwa esisium Kofi mi bwana. And engineer no say the obey structure no. Na structure no mark all the concerns and what will be my community in Nanya aware because now if the residential area Kofi yemfa commercial activities alcohol. That is the point. Now what bet you get fine. Abia or corner now my community one can't say Abia or the Bay Fita Juma. Now the Bay Fita Juma no. Then I'm a community or a lawyer Nimapa when what type of people and Abayo Mokawa? Are they not going to be threats to the residents or more area? Why not? Because the whole residential area now the commercial activities. Airport. And it's no question what to assassinate. I was saying region area or the residential commercial. I would say Ashton, no one Ashton, can in near Tom Benua, no residential. If he came, they use a Benua for but a KO in a presidency, a residential commercial, and in Romuina. So just a idea, but I was saying, now, even a one Ukraina who yes, I get Ukraino. Is there enough car parker who makes my parking cars? Well, Kobe meet me who say,
the engineers, when they become engineers, they also become politicians. So we are saying no money na Emma me as MPP first vice chairman no Emma independent theory only no ediawa Emma me go to conform. So that's it.
Okay.
So I will fight that single individual.
Not essentially. I think the issue will continue on, and effects will continue with the usual talk until something is done. Mestre, we're just not angry enough as Ghanaians and residents because near air cost on air time, and Afibia will come here near Babeke. We are sorry, we are done near Sayaba Afibia. Thus, as a country we are in. Hi, Akoma 87.9 FM. Pachoko Facebook page now share the bizarre moments of areas ensue Yuri Afa and Yakan, and that is the situation we're dealing with. And then pay the COVID the second dose penny for there will be na your Facebook page videos out the disaster looming dangers that hodwa baby nani kumase several areas freight transport operators and so edia tudwa say and there from Monday on ba beto mo sentiadim by 20%. You be check up, you be checking in and pay we here citrus tablet ade ba ko pera mpesa wote ase ipedua no ni pedua etwa said the bia immune system ni gina na so citrus tablet na uhia ascorbic acid ewum sanso na de uhia nyina ebe ewumu kata code na ache wo abobode na pebi na tafre ebeboa ama watimi akwanim eno citrus C tablet na bibia timi akoye di ama Boris B over the weekend when na Nabila Kantanka very wonderful interview wo hwa branti said ye nyame ehira no abo brand wo peso ko nanim a Boris B efi akokọ papa ye nuanom musumrifo mo aye fast na wie monwe akokọ nka Christopher monwe akokọ obi anyu na intimi so enkore Boris B seven kancho say e ma be 1000 and wo pese wo ma omo edi yie kunafo wo na mu ne adwuma ye nti wo de no abeto bibia de ama na nkosua no waton wo de chikosua no keke na fa skabotre no na fabre na fa so no enso etimi enso de abobra eninti Boris B SCCO ye wo bantama ice tree de presby and down no and bebe bia ton koko bia ye wo koko no ne kon ne 9 ne 10 cheze bia part bia halal ya sada ku no e wo nkrebo kwan so ma moja so fom abibia da na kwemo ya telephone number no enie
Kofi 0544
0544
44 53 0544 44 53
and one Boris B and we are now doing so actually Tabia Zenke Heba Mr. Abusabo adia ba kpa na pesa we nkokwa wi a e deposit we ni peduanim protein no doso. What do you need to boost the immune system? Tabia over the years a hallmark for treating malaria ni adia just oh boy ana wo no into aside the Tabia Zenke Heba Mr. Diaba immune system ne de e boost ni ye dia ma wo ne Tabia kanyina ne se mema yare enkanto yare mani pa ya bofra yare mani pa ya akwala enti Tabia seven kancho says Zen Care Mr. No e wo be atu aduru bia ti bobodin mo amu pe bi atu no mo frɛ telephone number no
Kofi on be frɛ 0243 68 6861 0243 686861 and after 0245 799 206
I see
0245 799 206
I see
and no edit eba shop pharmacy shop bia wura ha ubenya senri bi now so what feel fine Kofi
you be ani akobo ye dan so
yes Kofi yamo ye dan so a ye call Jepa Roofing we ye quicker Jepa Enterprise
yes
and omode Jepa Roofing aba nti Kofi enchansi bia ehia bia no anopa ye de ni kire wona kache a ye benya bi ne de aboye dan so enchansi bia all the classes and as a qualities that we hear bia on sabe ka bi na Kofi nim say ye wo wona wo mo so be boa me abodan so ama dan na gina ye kama obi ho pa Kofi na ba bi na hwe obi dan oboso pa said the dan chance na say sugar no
expert ankasa
expert na making expert obeboa na wo hu say dua no yemfa nhye ha yemfa dade we si ha
si ni bi oboase o si dan na matu da dan na chia wo se masa to oboase dan wo ebetene
enti govinti enti anopai yanko jepa roofing yanko jin chance ni nyina bi yeto ewo asantiment ma yede kokuma ase yede be kwa ma free wodo ni chemo tafo pankro no kwan so bonsuom ni kodua junction fifi hwa na ewo na number wo free ba akopɛ 0504 888830 0504 888830 eno eye Quicker Jepa Enterprise yɛde Jepa Roofing ɛde aba no pay Kofi yɛka ho asɛm de akyerɛ Ghana fo nyina asɛm mofuma ni nkyɛw ne ɛmmɔ ɛdan no so ma mu nsuo totɔ mframa wom Kofi na no kwasi ada no de na ɛtɔɛ ne de Kofi
me say me wie ye bebi afluence sia jefo bebi awo ɛne sɛ de nsuo ni yɛ wɔ ɛne die nti na sɛbe koman ni kuru sɛ dwan ya na me yɛ worried sɛ we videos aye we nyina afi bia
ye kwa ne aba bisi
every year we come back and
kwa ne asabisi ye kwa ne asabisi
de adintra
Kofi
me I am worried.
Kofi, you see I
am worried
by your institutions Kofi aye ye na friend not move for so the be she obi but assemblies no ya na ye ka kwesi o
imagine
yes
hwe video a ewo Facebook page a oka se Crystal Rose and is it was it Lord Bam or yeah Lord Bam
yeah
right see you now woman feeling me that is the district network director
yes and Kofi
and
no
that is the report
Kofi you see I didn't to me so tikumasi a on timi sorry anko ho
what are we
no matter how it here no so nya asase na ohia permit to build permit na this no so no I was here inspect say baby all year adwuma no o say Kofi ade we ho time bia ye ka wona wo si won dan permit bi mu kwaje permit without mpanimfo wa assembly home moving to the site to see say baby a osi dan kra na ho ya na say say Kofi wo kwaje permit at an office na kekra ni ajuska ni aboama that is all
no baby the credit permit let me tell you for a fact
yes Kofi
afena nsuo na ba beto and Sir John
oh yes
videos are
say June July nsuo no
and what is going on no it is so serious and you be a phone line sisi a you are for baby a wo komo aye di nyina nipa a ewu every day nipa wu and Belucci will assist us with the videos and all what is going on is so bizarre
yeah Kofi
and so serious
Kofi na so obi ni permit no see within what district meanwhile you won crofo a ya sheda assign no so monitor those activities within the district what are we doing Kofi
Dorothy, we are busy. Was a God save we the poor from the wicked hands.
That's it.
Asifi Isaac, good morning. Akoma 87.9 FM. Esther, a champion the wabana no muama uhuni wenye. Esther, we did buy because Ghana and our main we have a problem. We remember for yankwa
yanye a bright soldier capsules so.
Yes.
Na mehema bobobi na so ya fine na timi ebu adwuma na ho ntow because adwuma ne de wa mo ne yia ade echa no pa na hu yes adwuma hodo aye to de ma na mo ubo ne yie de anopa no sorry sa na ewie mate nsu ato am ewie mate sa de a na hu se enwumpa nko an yebode ma na bright soldier capsules na garlic capsules no de enim garlic de ema ni padua no e ma promodin mani padua no moja de afusane yie e ma ni padua no ntini no so mu ye de kama ene ma koye nti anopa oji bright garlic capsules no bi so pharmacy shop na wabobobi na bi akoso kama bright soldier capsules ne bright garlic capsules asem na make one asem akire wi tana pawura pharmacy shop a wo pa pomodin ebegya na so betima didi ama ho ato nti wo hia bright garlic capsules ne bi be ma wo so je bright soldier capsules ne bi na ne man ko yi enfama opedu atu a wo be frɛ 0551 993530 0551 993530 0243 983906 0243983906 and yeah bright soldier capsules there and no Kofi that nie ensu papa no nie
oh yes
ensu papa nie Kofi na obibini Blackman Company Limited and akwakofa Z natural mineral water de aba ni nyina ne say yabomodin yakofam ye tuam na donko yakofam 100 meters Kofi and ye tu e wo abotan achi sanso no Kofi edo na no na ma bi kajem se nsu a ye tu a ye kofam sa na abotan ye dwabo man sa na to nsu no so ni kama senti Z natural mineral water ye senso ni bia tiano pay furniture mo Brukutu Junction Breman ho na opedodo atu ado ni be kire na mom no betima frɛ doc anampani fo na no di nkomo 0244 620 294 0244 620 294 and afi 0208 183 018 0208 183 018 and here Z natural mineral water de anopa me kan wasem e de akire na Kofi Dama siesie nso e ade hia pa ni nyina ne sɛ wasiw dan wabɔ so awie wapenti biribi ɛkɔ so kama na wonsiesie wo da mu yi a ɛtɔ da bi a wode manfo Kofi hu yɛbɔ da mu saa no a na wotwe ti ntɛm yɛbɔ mu ano atwe ti mpakyɛ ha dabi Kofi
I don't know mom ngura
dabi but sɛ wasiesie wo yi a ebu was yes come in ɛhɔ na wote brofa kɛseɛ
na wode Alaska ayɛ hɔ kama
Kofi asɛm ne nyinaa no Alaska se bra na bɛgye design bi a opedi sese with them carpet eniema kedi sese dem nyina Kofi wo ye bi nano ya wada no enze me tofa ho I mean I'm say Alaska hey ha kama ujina na so pa Kofi na manfo so ho mo betu bi aton
okay
wo hihye papa de mo enti anopai so tu bi ton a wo so betimi do ani acha Alaska Star Enterprise ba koje bi na fa sese o dem ya chi kwan wadum yene boss FM ne di en mehwe ye be Prudential Plaza na obe friend number sinani Alaska di nkomo 0554 114878
okay
0554 114878
okay
0268 419-596 0268-419-596
now Sir George na suma me na for Beluchi ube back all the videos that for safen wa join discussion na enipa nso ahwe wonkwa as a result of nanu fia den so etoye ewo afo region oba Asante region so a nsu atom nipa mienu na ahwe wonkwa several others were submerged anyame nko a nka omo nso emem nyame adom yetimi yi wo mo ni nyina ene se a lot of issues and ekoso and nano pay ubetimi akọ your Facebook page there here the ohwe sisi is John the ohwe sisi e ubi a nsuo no a fan dan ebuagu na wo mo eyi no e dey free
me kra na minti
and that is the situation and at for Facebook page our Akoma 87.9 FM na wetimi nso ahwe bibia you watching everything na watch the situation over there anti Beluchi Bedro video no amaye na yehu exactly what is the situation now therefore mo betimi abem na yedi nkomo 0322498035 0322498036 0322498037 and 0243114497 therefore betimi aba
yeah Kofi na Kofi yeah na Dr. Xavier anso ase na Dr. Xavier anso Kofi at the Xavier food yeah Dr. Xavier
okay nti mayemfa etifo kakra yewia wonu say na your transport operators on babe to omo kashi
yeah Kofi
yeah no on babe din kom but minimba bia wo nsu a atoi eto na no kwasi adan danger elumi hawa de ebrewo and all the situation the betimi so edi ho komo mamenko ahomaso hello good morning
Kofi Asante
pacho sheuni
yeah
maminti
acho Yankupa nshira wanyo kese pa ichiacha na odino kokwa pia bia obia Yankupa nkano en Dr. Rauf she Kofi Asante nsio na etitono yeya timemfo ne ne wese exercise subai hu say sebi obi ohonum so hu say nsio mu na no atam nwura no de ba no de kwakogun so hu anyiri wo ho a ebekoko yiri wo baby o ebekoko yiri wo baby yiri wo si yesu say subai yeya timemfo no yenje sebi what with ne sisi dan ne ekoko fili ne ekolance ne ekoko dikrata ne ebo be fili what with sebi what are the ultimate feeling ways and money ko enye yeye o se o fili a be koko fa be bi na koko fa atoyin sababa ye timo fo mi na esi yesi say subai a sebi so wo sika no sebi obi on this kind of no be no one ko jibe bi e what with no ko fili no mu this kind of na ejiri ekuku obi Kofi yo say subai a say the idea is here sana be uni nyame edwuma
ati for obfra no ammehu baby awo video amehwe mewura ho papa mamehu baby awo wa hawa nsu a totoyi ede eba ende ne bituma ya ibisi anokwan hello good morning
Kofi
pacho hwani
onia Simon Kongo ni ngodi from magazine mami tia men pen forward kama na kusi na bag no din na executive ni na mchaka kinda bari na papa de so ale na mko men mtu onese Kofi nsuo nsɛm yi ɛyɛ yɛn mpanimfoɔ a ɛwɔ assembly ɛne esikafoɔ yi a kofi asase bi wɔ hɔ bɛhu sɛ asase no baabi ɛwɔ nsuo ase na yɛn a yɛyɛ ahiafoɔ no yɛde nkae totɔ yɛ deɛ ɛwɔ side no wobɛhu no sikani no abɛgye ho na wɔfiri hɔ asi kwan baabi a na yɛyɛ si yɛ bi a nsuo no nam kwan yɛ ba na sikani no wɔn na maa no pavement wɔn na maa no kwan mpanimfoɔ no ka ho na mmɔmfoɔ no a wɔn nso ne nam a wɔhwehwɛ no yɛn no wɔn no wɔhwehwɛ afei nipa no yɛ wie a sɛ yɛ ɔkɔtua sika yɛ wɔyɛ dan o na nso ɛtutu na wofi sɛ yɛ ti kumase mfimfini yɛ bɛyɛ bi nhisa no bɛkɔ sɛbi baabi a ɛwɔ a weewe kakra no na kofi wɔsi bɛ fam ɛda.
Too bad. Hello, good morning.
Aduanaba.
Yeah, Minia.
Kofi Asante.
My brother.
The Machara Pioneer Cosmet name Katafri. Former Ludumisa, Dr. Richard and the Constitution of Katafri. Aduanaba no permanent charge more about Senator Katina Kukunshao. Obo Mapa, One Abitafurina. Lulu for Jana Kojeti Mati Misa. Papa about my Pamenta and Monapasu, my child of Commission Dumi. The former Piojuso. Mamachana password my Papa Panidi. Yura Francois, Santo Organization Manchano. Now, a good if I told you're not a basic, not good boss. Yana and Kachemunda Biano, that's what the Bana said, man, or Yapa. That's a man, I mean, what that's why I had Manu. There, for a Chimakim, Saboom, and so now, quite failure, Kobiano, I say, they're quite DC, no one. Come say, and so on, put a quite failure, Piano.
Wow.
You call a Chimakim, Junati. The Bia Pentecost are solid down one. The big sit down was solid down and no cases here. They just solid down to Kenya, but we are followed to be done. What they're going to call her. And in your case, and that the other case of the here. One one and say, I think Yamanacano. It is about Cotality, I can be a Kanya Pamano. It just on no two and a mono quadro. And then I'm so the old poor. What you can question it in Tabu. That bridge, you know, my honor, yeah. It's so far. As man for Joe Ramaneno. The good correct say a man for no. Who they call a correct, who do any correct? And about Atama Mechano, Gana Mechato. You best say someone Trapaco. Oh, one among that give this to us, you to us here. They all call a year, at the poor, you want them. But they are not so for Papa, and that's what they are telling me. Say, I saw that no Bianco, then she's one on the way. No one may join your hide, but you know by. To a tournament or the Eket and Guadia, and the baby is so better for the family. There be a man for the sofa. There's a show to try Aduanaba. To be a man for Tulaman and yes, of the tour. Let your number better say, who are prayers to be a man for a person who are a woman. A idea and no idea. The best temple for this kid to fall it. A moment coming at the nominal Manaso. Not said about ya. Some man of course you look in the choice as Aduanaba. To be a war person, the Kukanano. Too much, but I got a card man here, you say. A chance again, and you know, that Gana Cadras and Pasubia Maso. That's a month for the good memoir, woman number paid here to trust some idea. Who will be any for the two dog, Bora memoir, your friend away. If you're better paying for it, your mama didn't say the best of the message at Yanaba. Keep like a flat making, Cotton Division, keep like a showing about who can wear so. It will be duo and also duo. Your best says, like you know, a woman in your must say, Kawaki, we are poor here, and Kessa Sola and Yazuma. Let them be come up. But I want to know what the country we are going on. Just done a 4 years. Let me know Sola no more having to know. You can have the Kodane issue. As I near the breakfast to one of my
But that's a good morning.
Good morning.
Why?
I did not think I come up to your word, Demo.
It must mean, sir.
Just like what the somehow I put to credit to a Papa, what down, it might be said to a new about that. I got a name honor. The book honorable Dr. Communist Century Apostle. And now you got no Papa never can of credit. Then Abu Baha, or catch up such a man, I'm saying inside there, and one qua, minimum. But yet, I'm not telling you, I'm saying inside. Uncle, Papa never can of everybody you're talking about. No, say that's a Dahana. But through which a woman will be a Jumano. Somebody. Once we check the entire yes of your said, Papa, I'm sure to you to you. Come in than I may. Get a comment than I may. Papa, inside no, and it's a coupon. And I went to a certain movie. Oh, my machine, I'm for and no matter the Gatano, and to Papa and Chucha.
kakra bi na ho bo fa so I talk about the biggest sector on the one comment here let's papa and check kakra bi a this is no move and yama dalese fa mesre and person manu ya manu tata say I need to guarantee yes sini dia o na mo yibi mre I talk about no mo matriculation mo mai mo matriculation mo mai papa ya ko matoy and this is sure Asante Asante papa na me fa ko asperma for wo would you ask common for a panel show on when you're busy? Oh, my, the man in China toy on the pata, Uncle Jinawa. And we pop simple for a common from this family himself and to deal with Adam with your woodman. Not so much that to her. Let's say, I need your papa and some of her.
But I say, hello, good morning. Hamza.
But there's a walk over.
Mamintio.
That's my mom, Basso. Na Minchia Dr. Francis Aduanaba, the competent Asante regional organizer, the hardworking Asante regional organizer. In Bia and Kupon Jadu, they boa, a boboa, a domano Asante regional.
A cacrebina, no uraha.
I
know.
Well, then your bar will see a Bonapasso, people of Asante region. You initially do a dear Woody, and Kupon Shalpa. Now, Insha honorable maso possible associate, president member of Swamina, honorable and condition associate, head minister, community ministry former MP or just Mamicho. Now, the American say, Ada, the my report you are, was indicated you are Emma, honorable century, Yansam regional vice chairman, Asante Kake, as an studio in film, honorable and so yeah, MPO. I but for any film nine fanfa assemblyman so yen fanfa assemblyman so fanfa yen fanfa. Meanwhile, you being the national regional director for Nedmono, one can walk back at a fall. No, you several times. Oh, wow. Who you should talk here. Who back over years no money from Judimu. Dear Namu, Tio Ben, I want to tell you, regional director. I want to go with me to actual Catholic Jaco, the appropriate bodies, you know. Am I going to say, in Fiona? At a flower, a young or 11 hours, many parties, 90 pounds, Nipamba. What I tell you, original director. That I saw the dine, Catechia Solidan, Catechia Faster Dina. I have both with you on. Yeah, she told Master for criminal, no, she not but I be a common. Gentlemen, Tio, and original director for Danmu. Yet, for them is first vice chairman, they were already more. Gentlemen, Tio, what's your phone say? A Danny Bubunu, and I say, Edding. Because here, you say, one Kunama. Say, what we're certainly able to do, that's a bear. It's just by a mouth what I have for. That was it. That one, as soon as you saw as society, it's not the big copy because it's very clear that Oshima, Wakaho, and I saw at a Francois, Wakaha. 2 minutes or beer, you should have been as a card, you should have called a boy. I've done 30 years, you see a toy and son of Raver Trendy. Yes, like a key, no boya. From Prumua, I mean, you want to say away. And see, the Papa Yan an episode. Sanipano Yadinico, women cast rather to motor to do, motor to do, whether you should be the Daco. In the same mean, 2 from Prunu floor, and at the end, mean, near bad part. Say, this way a big temptation, you shouldn't have said, Nakas Namsura. Miss Free, at a possible, and the cost for the pasta, because you should know bit motor to tell me the actual, not a Dinoqua. I didn't know quite 50 won't move to the brother said, yeah, the new Paco. Because what is the very first row at a point in one. Yeah, the new Paco, this you see a Bogu, Papa and so, and anyway, what more than one dinner and drink over the dinner, but at the first morning as soon. Yeah, you should talk here. Prejudice. Any, we are a fictional book. You see about to say, and we are a book. If you see a cat in that offer, because you are the didn't go, feeling you go. You can't reach me first honeymoon. I want to say, I am not more director. I was saying, why you be what you're supposed to be for. I will now myself here, loses as well, you at a function more. And I back to this in Senator, Nipaka is said that. Hey, yeah. And a bunch of making one cat anymore. Bunch of making one cat. Is your dog at the Kupana as a quantity? You need any idea if you should have tried me from F1 echo. And then should have started that bunch of gunning in the Nua and a come for camera. I think it's oh, that was family, Mamma.
Ah, my God. Hello, good morning. Right? Good morning, when you? Yeah, Mini Abeni. Black man, Mamintio.
Kofi, my memo abaso. Na memo yura in Chinese abaso. Kofi, say to my mufono Kofi, fiancé you subaya, any year can any among one. Maybe dear, a dear politics and a Kofi, son or man, be. Obi to come or to a dear who could through say, fear or to men to Abba. But you are tenants on your papa. Obi anuncio. Also, a cotton ball, but the 2 days, you know, for the perform. Who can see, was it? No, I beg a year. 19 years, never again a year, 1 day again a year. If you out to the you in so far, let's see a farm out for so. Also, 1 year. Now, by the Bisicano, I could see, baby, I could say no. Then you may quickly. It's a second of 1 1. Yes, to see us to buy. Who could see Diana and could pass as a sure, as I said, then soon. Well, he never told my mentor, and I'm wonderful. See, yes, you are nothing. Yes, a fine young man, you will, and you be a cookie, a bear pet, the dear this year, dying, here that them. And that's it.
Minia, Medawase, for ne Kwabna, Yenia Crescia de Udike, Bebe Studio. Francis Adomako Francois, and Amiame offer, Alaji Sani. But inform me and saying, and you know more evident come on. Okay, Facebook page, the videos in na mount. Wow, with me and your BBM. You better wrap up. Now, for quick one. 3 transport unions are announced 20% increase our fares from another day. You better can't now boom the heading come on. But, Mamintiwe, good morning.
Good morning, Aduanaba.
When you?
What Daruma? Your family junior about me, Manso. And talk on the second one, this is not a and I'll say, Nebo, regional organizing, and so never. And we got about 4 Juma than the other about Machian. Now, it's actually the vice president of the Togo of Ghana, and I think, you know, Sema, Aduanaba, in fact, Ghana Hana, you want to. And it may be a yak or swama, Yayan, Tado Kadasa, as you know, who can cut. Yeah, I can't say Juma, maybe so. It's a good job. A modern never goose, you got a mupa out to Muse. Who really a ball, I do got them. Not in so better, not a year after the Sina, Mose, and 3% Sagat and Kelko. There is anyone thinking of 8 minutes a day. And Kona, who was said, Sir, I do down or alcohol has to dancing. Not in so toy, and now yet, Robert Pa, it's still so near. In fact, sometimes, yeah, you know, Ghana for because we go to the so, and you must say, and you be getting another thing here at the most in Then Chen could be chance all from around that thing. Then Chen and the BS, as well as about it, no that thing. Then, I'm not sorry, I'm also more since the country. And so, some of you are to go I'm going to say, I don't know, and that's the country. I'm going to say, you are not for the emphasis country. No, well, I'm not even looking at him. Because I of course, we're going to have say, I am also, yeah, the uncle says, we are politician. I say, almost tell Mana, that's any idea, and you guys from Swa.
Meda say, Obano about it too. Good morning. Good morning, too.
And go for this.
Namiado.
Mo, near the and I'm all for you. I'm all for Kupao. No, and now say and forever. And this from you. And this is
Dabi. And the founder and leader of UPP, Kwasiado Dike. And Alaji Sani me offer. And I'm here, Francois. On there.
No. Oh,
well, do have crazy.
We are going to preoccupy. Cookies, your boy Baswa, a chef at a sea bombers. You are the parents of Minium, you crew. Yes, it's a crew at down 1 year. A how I'm going to be. Because you know my question, I know you. I'm not day. Once comes a no a piece of so action. It's down.
Osha in Soka, in so said she had papa, not one baby. Me, Mema, you know, minimum the other. Machine so famous a friend per beer or so energy. Then so energy say, you're so thing, Ghana, you're so thing. A boy in it. Modern yet, pay it, a year, a cool Maui. I didn't make us a coffee, and me, so wretched. You know, man, yes, I did. Yeah, mamma, yes, it's done. Bola will want at the best 10 years. And what will you boil and say, I may say no, say I may say no. What will you boil?
Okay, too bad. Hello, good morning.
Maybe here. Aduanaba Kofi Asante.
Boom, mamintio.
Mijina Roman Hill I saw that an impe. Me room. Nama bonfire the amana na kufa the dampa. Ne papa Mahmoud Baumia. Asante region organizer. And a year justice could be a view the Yakupon. Chairman not chairman. Or also Asante region, the view of the Amanuchan. Kofi Elitaya dia. Ekefonapos. The bit is a ball or ball who more than the mess up and it's on town son and more. No team for the Tadodo now on the human coso. So, if you are coming, Asapo, neighbor or no, Asa Kofi, and Sure Pa, Unya Pine, and the way the Biafa. You say, Regina, by chairman, you are cabrating to your born woman, papa. The mestre, baby or her. Yeah, only tell me because you know why you're not so. What is after 4 Americano? Listen, who's that? A born Casa conflict in trade. Police got it to rock. How we are Juba. Now, you know, because yes, I do. I thought that. That's what people report to me to an amount. What's the say? Who's standing up by your bar? Mr. Man, reject down. That the doesn't now copy a year to I'm young customer in trade. Maybe I could say more. Party with Nanya and Sikwa. And also that say, my company for nature reserve, that you are and all you show. Over one thing, a confirm will be Nanny Pano or Pele. No Pele, and she never in Fanenco. For sure, bear mind, and now we shall start at our office. That's very going to one among with us.
Okay, with us. I'm in for this caller. Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Weni.
7.9. Yeah, I'm Pacho. Sakudi Jankuba.
Okay, Sakudi, I'm in you.
Yeah, Dianaba. I'm in here on our Quabetinchi. That's right, time I Asante region. Dianaba, war boy, Juma Papa. Think Dana Juma, Fumi, boy, Juma together. First vice chairman, not Bubosa. Inka, Minister, Muka 30% a year, Master the Oya and Kadana campaign. You go away, Belgium, Belgium. Now, we're in the or board Papa, Panajma, Nimonabas, Namantia, I get Bunsu. Why you both watch my of the Danov? I like the Baum as you think for Jumera. The kind of better Kenya and say, you're better. It's okay, and an argument. I'm about the other support of honorable teacher, meaning that the large mind, honor said the soul of bois, a humanity to pie, but the human will say, baby, if you are going to make it now, who do you any now? If you have a decent now, and then the wild drink out to do now, but that man is an answer and good into go idea of the supportable or the not boss. But since you were both my papa, you are born. On only be as or job is what do. And as what job or both morning, numbing near the hour, with some more years, not Baum said. Uma crowd catch say yes. Or no, or no, thank you. Emphasis what job is to become the DNA. Mumugan and Bukus and say, DNA for DNA, to Panity or both Lemon about Sudan.
But that's it. Hello, good morning. Okay.
One of us.
Yeah, ready.
Keke name is free at Mame.
Pacho Bamintio.
About to make a Buddha and you want to me that.
Miria.
I say, Kumasi problem in a whole soon the best year. I want to be a Jumano I said about radio show and sana. Nipa who say problem. I will come and say.
Na anopa we nim say ye wie more ni me ya pra one time ya why fair therefore Beluchi e be kakra be ro video more ni mo ya fair no oh me ka kire wo
Kofi and this quality problem I said about what they are and yesterday 2 for say only a kufa don kasa no point was regional minister na dey go su there bibi a dey say be share so what can you say I for no I me can no Kofi for no me nka so we dey no dey request line think you Kofi adai we dey do request line you be try page na so me share adai probably what Akoma level about the passing fin yes MC an engineer omo ye a friend say bumping bi wo ho of the mission one Akoma level about the passing fin wo do that junction ho ba na no so tell master obi no bumping mako ratio nya dem pipa 30 day no if you come so ya bumping here Kofi, Mr. What's the problem in the share with the air? Mamadana, and the mood, Mamma, and woke up and could see other. Bye bye.
Okay, but that's Robinson Voya, they are afraid for the Missia, Monfa and Chame. Na, okay, okay, yeah, Minia, I'll be Fred Diana Bawechra. When? Ah, Obedia Mamiana. Kafra. Ka beti ane panya. Yeah, and Ram where a house you question that ECG. I'm fountain and a
Aduanaba winning baby. Yeah, we be Kunonya for Francois. Wa trato. The party of Francois na yemano.
Mati.
Na tia na mame. Na dana sema communicated. Itu yes ya kole why. Na ka chense the post ni kwa me se wa mebi mu kwa ye ne kwa kwa for mama na mama.
O hwe mu se dia mo nka nkyere mi o.
Aduanaba onje Francois.
Na no o hye me bo pizza kro mfa mai.
Also you be sebe enye adefo akese ni bia.
Akoma 87.
So for once na we see within the declare no for putting nsem. Kakra na ye ma ye no ye di so. Ni so na me kwa na se o pejele ti ye kro a o be boa ye.
Obehwe mo pa.
Na Aduanaba amenche ni la te wele no eni we nyam for amoku. Ni say you ra kwa na di na do so ti na amenche no. Na say Aduanaba ensema ye ken. Ya ye kwa ye be. Ne ya mankwa. Na so di na me hu ne ni etiti o. Aduanaba wo be je bi say e di bi ema ball ahun fensem bi ni enu tua na mon e ko municipal assembly. Ema environmental officer e ba be he ball ano. O be he ball ano. Ball ni pa na no wo te ball e di gu fom no. E ni po te ball ano so say there assembly members at no was only 250 cities. 250 cities in the Bia will channel. Not enquire the state assembly. And a map with the monso. You must have a dirty canon. Again, number 2, you may say will be a see there will be there. Yeah, but you won't see Diana. In your car, a woman creeper. Emma no more. Tell me a man here. Tell me no go away and again about the game if any young no can say. It is up to full level or almost a day.
I see.
And it's a bit super coffee. Not a woman, not a woman. Not a bit after killing, then it cannot walk out no what this can. And this will be a coffee will be well being walker. Then will be a walk with this again. So what you are here. And again, you won't never become. Yes, and then you go to one among. Then you can get a season in the panel. Then my in the panel and your yeah, and you know what kind of money. That we don't tell them what like the panel. Then the panel get on what to buy it.
Okay. Yaman Kwame Dase. Atefo mo hwe video ba ko sisia e wo Facebook page. Sir John, ma ye mo asqua. Okay. Yenti voice note we are there's a video ongoing on our page. me person
ho komo amodi no yenso ehɔ ne wo ye high tension ye on kransa ye ne trade for na ebo hye high tension na se hɔ no ya sase no high kransa and high tension nso si trade and kransa finfin or therefore twa hɔ sase nyina to awie bebia ye se dana ye hɔ kra ye kwan na hɔ sai ensuo trade ensuo na nkasa dan abeto ensuo mama obi wɔse wato ensuo na ma obi ama nipa cross over be feel when kro nyam feel ye no Friday na enam hɔ no wonyam feeling po ye ni naka was odi ka koton ba bi ama asafo hene na etu no na ba beje ɛhɔ no dia ma obi wɔse ɛhɔ nkoa ni na sase aka nti waton ha ma no ye di nipa na aka asema mo kan sɛ ye prema ne ye de ye ntua 400 million emen pakro no ye be kan de ba asɛm kura wɔse hɔ no de man we no onyam fili mpo Friday ne nam honi o eni obi o kan sɛ bi ma Kofi Asante boy.
Okay, me da se ye be bo amo Sir John, I think ye be bo the Asqua
the environmental health
Joel
Guma
environmental health and that of the Kumasi Mall
marketing manager
no for Facebook page anopa Beluchi the can row a fin in we said it and they gave us timelines by 10 o'clock you know. Now it's done. And pay
at 8:15. Yes,
it's done.
Yeah,
this is the video.
It's good.
And we just have to let you know. This is the video you are watching. And Beluchi, mama at your phone who said. The cleaning has been done. It's a good move. This is the first video. Now, Sir John, this is the first video. You shoot you. It was so dirty. And within a space of an hour, yes, one more aside apraho. Come
before.
So
before
this is the before, and now we have after. Oh my idea, Sabi, and more no a big institution. I will be about when they have a listening ears. Nasa Omuyesia, Yabona Basu John Bedu Bonsu Junior, a marketing manager. Bonsu, baby Abako there. Where do you too? We do too. I do too. But Kasamaya there, I think sir, you've been very, very proactive, Amaying, and very responding to your call. Saying many are no mobile and my in Tamuso. Mijiri says Sana community near free munchain. Sir Adiani Nya Becca, a young swire kaya no maya, and he yedwika kasa my idea. And there are one requester to me for no so say mobile dustbins SCC traffic one benina near Nimo said ya beya ubia twemua omo de nia wira no ebetoto ho na afi yetimi amonitor say mo timi de dustbin siwa the residents anyone I be dwane with ensuring say omo because we come inside what dustbins esi ho but ano ni nyina de dustbin di sheda NCC ho pacho eno so
Oh, no problem. It's part of I think you know the cost to be able to be a common funny in animal bar. Am I adding new ways to also improve our services? So I think it's the right call. As part of our new year, strategy, which is starting in July, we will say that's been all around, not just outside the mall, but traffic corner day. So we just have to liaise with the assembly for the pickup. So that, it will pick that regular. And then some quiet ball and then go for the movie.
We make that provision now. You better collaborate together with you as an institution. Now you so you're championing the good cause. And I'll pay you need you for a case my idea.
Oh, yeah, that's
you answer you be common. Why?
I
mean, that's it. Thank you. Right, there was a John Bedu Bonsu Junior, a marketing manager at the Kumasi City Mall, and Yabona Basso. Therefore, Anna or my Kama. Kumasi City Mall clean, the fields less than 1 hour after.
Report.
Akoma. It's good. It's good. It's good.
You're born Abaso. Kofi na yemfa Oxford so ntwaso.
Yes.
Say ehon ye kwaji entity ni nyina.
The big is that 2020
the award winning
said next time we had bed one fan can with me the underlying word near award
winning
media institution of the year 2020.
Sure. Kofi. Enti obia anope ye kamfo de amount say be gentity ni nyina kama. Central Juma no be bia free ni trikosi ni nanse. Ye be boa no anya Asante tie ni nyina. Ye management studies, hospitality management, oil and gas management, and afi business administration be jo forms. Na onso bra be sua de kama. Facility ebenya de ama wanya ntitieri nyina no in place ebeboa mo etimenya ntiti owia national service attachment free yanyo kapreba forms ne 60 Ghana cedis kumase kwada so jumase Rolex edan mu ne yewo nti bejo forms ne bi wo website www.oxfordinstitute.edu.gh 0504 234-005 0504-234-005 0244-724-087 and after 0322-496-566 and no Oxford edie and no back of your rumor say and pay if you're an inch na yamameji awo kama na is it great doctor say abedin 20 year kwama for tunidi do na no ba ko wagimi ensa Kofi wagimi ensa
wo chese wo fa ha no awo
Kofi enya sam ke 20 and pay bomodi afo ani eche mo Ruma Fertility and Specialist Hospital na kwaje onsoso de award de emfamfa yem fitir kra wo de so e wako ba bia di class e bonini wuntimi nwo yen wo ba ye ho ayesi bonini eni yen ho wo beduru ho no ma na ye ma wanyaba nti bomodi ana ni eni nkomo why ye keso pese o kese no soti na nyare wa hodo hypertension diabetes stroke so hani pedua no cancer hodo ha mema ne mma nyina ebenya bre na eno so no ya hwe e de amount na mo ye corporate bodies ekuo and organization individuals bi ampese mo ye beboa mo ntete hawa mo so mbetimi protect mo ho ekwan befa so mbaba mo ho ban mo aduane die mo ne ade a bomodi ana bra ya kache na ye ni nkomo obetima frɛ empanifo e 0204 227 858 0204 227 858 0269 987479 0269 987479 yɛkyiri kwan wɔ Suebo IPT junction yɛbɛ Suebo afitam ho anti anɔpɛ bɔmɔden a nebra na nso no yɛmɔmɔden na yɛma wo saa gyetie nyinaa na sciatica expert ɛyɛ 21st clinic anɔpɛ bɔmɔden bra ne yɛmfa mfidie hwɛ ne padua no nyinaa na yɛade ɛsɔ to ase ɛsɔ nantu bɛsɔ nanti hɔ no ne nyinaa yɛnyi from fama wo yɛtu ase ama na kɔkraa yɛbɛ massage wo kama nti na wɔtwe ne nyinaa watena sɛ wɔyɛ adwuma brɛ na wɔbɛda hɔ ne a massage wo kama yɛde mfidie afɛ ne padua no bi a yɛre ahodoɔ bi hyɛ baabi nnompe n'akyi yɛyi de apie yɛwɔ 21st canteen no nso yɛ 7 nnuane anɔpɛ yɛahyɛ aseɛ dendendendenden wobaa bɛtumi bɛdidi na wakɔ adwuma so yɛwɔ 10 branches ɛwɔ Ghana ha Kumasi ehwa overseas baabi afa radio wɔ no ɛhɔ ne yɛwɔ Accra so yɛ ɔdɔme heavy do dan mu sunya ne tachima goal so sɛhwi ɛhɔ so yɛ hɔ 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 ɛno yɛ 21st clinic dia ye kan wasem acho enano pay ehun ensam enso eno no na mamenka we say Kofi ya chi ya but before me ko ya chi ha no Kofi Dr. Xavier ma memo na baso who say Friday no who say course bi ba me ho ha ya me real office na make kan ma bom ni nyina ya dance ya ne bi ba in fact Kofi dance guso a eba pa nti Dr. Xavier duro no bo modern na so san kan de duro aduane nti wo ye na aduane adi no Kofi
me wanwa kra the timeline na just about 2 weeks
diabetes
na manfo agia tumua
2 weeks Kofi 2 weeks doctor so be here for the amount nti bo modern diabetes 2 weeks said Kofi kan no o de oba pa ne ntontia Kofi ye start recommending manfo no yenya problem bia ho obi han friend kan che say masa ade na mde ma me nya ne ade nti no ye kanfo de ama na say ade papa ne ye kanfo de ama ne say nti doctor say on person crofo be bia gum na the complaints any problems ahodo aba eni to ono nko a na wo ono ane de na ade aba ono akasa ne da so kita enti wo pa bi ato a wo be frɛ no na emom osan so no ade a ye tu ase kra obi wo ha ne minimu tesi ana ne minimu awo obanim so te sadien oda na ne gusu saa na ade ache honam ya no honam tutu no mpe mu ene ade nyina tutu no obi wo hwa ade ohun ne yie ade be na wo hu ekwa eche wo hu ne nyina ye kabom sɛ ohun ade yi abra na ye momode anfa duro yi ensa saa ya de wa nyina afa ma be ma so ntimi nyina nna so ayemutim Kofi nkrofo se omo yam tima anu abranche bo se ono okọ public one bi this a timber 2 days na just say ni sika be 2 series yan kan ho ato na me hwe krache ube wu na anim bomodin na so ekọje Dr. Savior Foods ni bi obu ho kasa na no chinchim ne nse wo so saa ube Fred Dr. Savior e wo 0577 201 495 0577 201 495 055 578 9698 055 578 9698 any Dr. Savior Foods edian no mami fa abia so se oba ya che watete man for panti bra now so begin titie bi July 2021 admission yeguso ayeye HND marketing 3 years HND communication HND journalism HND radio and TV broadcasting HND investigative journalism HND secretariatship and management studies 3 years and yes course see the amount bomodin ne bra ne begin titie bi now so common so now so kwa adwuma no sa opia chest out because abia na atete na yesi media classes ayeye no English math science economics and social studies ni nyina beboa na watwa ne yiem ukita SSC aggregate 24 or better wasi aggregate 36 or better mature student O levels 28 years or more and pay bomodia July 2021 admission no qualified by your forms 100 Ghana cedis in city campus no e will cross from your basic FM maybe MPP regional office e wono no sewa nyaku senior high school kwan so afi among from so ye new campus e wo ho among from ye be among from hospital no barekese kwan so your forms ne 100 Ghana cedis campus mi no amabo so nyina okọ ho ansa be kan bi course no start 2nd July 2021 0542 170 510 0542 170 510 0207 224 467 0207 224 467 0208 387525 0208 387525 eno aya bia manje dia no pay me kan wasem e dia ma student loan dia oba ubenya bi attachment so ye beboa mo anya bi kama ufra chiri na eba wutie me anopay enkran ba bia wutie me bia on the internet ubetima beto forms ni bi your hostel a oba obenya ba bi ada ma me mfa ye chi he ya de no Kofi sorry and God bless Herbal Complex.
Hey Dr. God bless.
Yes. Doc anopay me chia
the man of the moment.
Me chiao
Kofi beside
yo
must be said. He's such a wonderful man.
Wapompi bi mu dia mo.
Hey, amramane mani na
Kofi
baby
bi dia wo kete and anu fia do pije obidim. Ti bomode na so kọ be ma no sa ye pije ma na bibi anko so fama kama Kofi anya so pije ma mamu ayemru opije so mu odin papa nti anopai bomode na so fo ni chema God bless Herbal Complex. Dr. God bless ya da wase na Kofi de chene se enkuda tu man for pa enkuda kro no tu a it meet na wa the china especially diabetes dia no doctor so ba obeyi ni for dia ma obi a sade no pese ye nane sade ewo mu na ni padua no eti upon it mjane na so asthma so ma 1 month asthma obeyi afro hom wani eya wo ya Kofi nkwe training yarwa hodo ha ni padua kaka esen ni nsade nyina doctor so be enwa adwuma honamani sansan ene ne ma aka nyina stroke ahodo compo ene hepatitis B doctor se bra oba wase enye kra bomodin na fo ni che Dr. God bless so na yenye homodin na yenye bibia afro kama ma awo ho asema ye din na Kofi ade e friend asabra no asabra ya de boni pe tomofra ho a Kofi tumi ma obi abofra ba ku tumi ma ni tipa yesede tie nie doctor say ya de boni bomodin bra na ode so oba no ebi ato ni padua ni ma fa ne bra na onyini nyina fraud emfama na doc ye chiri kwan no nie mesi ye wa Akoma FM ye chi he ya asokwa ode uduru Akoma FM a street eda ye nsani fa so he ho na wona mo abekwa kopi Dr. God bless na ho no ye asokwa previous sorry no
udu Akoma FM ha
ubisa ye be chiro baby na insurance for no ewo ho ene ewo baby no mo wo no so mo movie from the honey across your dansoman 0243 641 860 0243 641 860 0277 744434 0277 744434 0508 850293 0508 850293 and here Dr. God bless doc and a good morning Kofi yanko anim
me da say abisa for higher Akoma 87.9 FM mamema menua pani ora odike akwaba excellency bi aboko de Sir John yeah odike microphone ye man na good bibi aboko de
yentime complain
You are doing good. I mean, you are looking good and so. As usual. So we shall for here.
We will be a here.
Then I question.
Kofi
Akoma FM.
Ghana na head.
Oh. Na monsu musu bi.
Obi esu because na the first time no the Ghana di agro. Or the sika ne ye niema na emfamfa so bi amre. Eno na e dia bedu baby abeduru.
I see.
Na o kan na bi mu e de kwhye COVID. Kofi Asante. Eniema na Kufu Ado say me program say me mo ayeda no. So wetime anya bre na mo yini nyina aba. After Nanado try 6 months on the presidency na Olusu control.
Which presidency? Yeah, be.
You didn't see akonwa so osuaye no. Me tenche no. After 6 months and Musa Nanado won't me find ko baby.
Oh, but that is very serious one.
That is the fact.
That is very serious.
And that is the reality.
How?
What waste is he coming out?
4 years or managing Yama. I mean, COVID na ba be magana yenya. What can you understand? Say COVID anka, of course. We would have gotten somewhere.
Oh, no correct.
In fact, we tear the IMF and will be a commend how we be able to manage our
one recommend
my crew.
One recommend Ghana. And you know correct. IMF phone na I won't say Papa or Miss Money.
Cannot almost a but apart from that, we in the midst of COVID or yet me managing
Goofy now, Oko just cannot be there. No one find Japan.
And why free as it? Do young free.
The first such as cry oil money, oil revenue or deal. You see car oil a year too. And what the no crown. Umunuso.
Me basis here because we mammy.
Tika no every usisi mu kono a woto ase ho no ntirina fa usrem ekosi wo na ase ho no ebo betimi atutu ama wo ankasa wo hu ba bi enye
Akoma FM 87.9
expert e wo Ghana ha wo mu de bibiduro so ho bibiduro ankasa ene besan ya no masa de machine aka ho ya de bibiduro ka ho ne asa de wato machine so ya san ya o massage bi ya wi a herbal treatment ya de awono ama ho e sciatica 21st clinic na expert I will to ase Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho enkran domi market wo ho heavy do dan ni mo ho ena kuma senso ahia udu session so wo mo na nie dwabo so wo mo ho so nyane ni wenchi ni ba bia nkranza 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert
Kai swafo do e woni pam so be TV presenter sports journalist film actor na actress ICT expert and software developer Oxford Institute of Business and Journalism aba ediama mu nyina omoye ICM UK courses and omosan accreditation every NAPTEX ho amodie degree and diploma programs at journalism and media studies hospitality management tourism and business studies information technology acha 2 years now to free Oxford Institute of Business and Journalism assign remedial classes our core subjects say English maths science and social studies be obey Oxford Institute of Business and Journalism so ebenya national service aye no assign free attachment suku no eba boama ne saka geo form sesia for 60 Ghana cedis our regional post offices awodo a ewo Ghana ha nyina ana komo campus ewo Kumasi kwada so ohwimase ho a rollers edanemu pair and our website www.oxfordinstitute.edu.gh 050-423-4005 and 0244-724-087
na me say every bra me hu wo the bia we active very strong and energetic
we 100% na nyina ne sede me hwe me nipadua sofa na de boa me mama hoden mama timi ko bada ene tabia zanika heba mister
tabia zanika heba mister what do you want dance ya chere me
ho dance de enya wonko me de dawure na ato so na media chere nipa mpempem tabia zanika heba mister ma to ne din nyamyama sa wonom a emenkwamu a ewo nipadua no mu a ye fra mu asojafo eye wide blasters na hoden enti nipadua ni nya hoden soronko kutia yare ahodo bebre enti wonta nyare enti na dam ye strong no eye general well-being of the body enti ye adwuma ewo nipadua na kwa no mu ba bia
me am to me hu anya sabusua bia
eye busua nchemfa so obi de ne ho to tabia zanika heba misa so a eden so obeyare na nya na ewo ba bia tonto aduro bia hye ne nso se obi a onya mfinhye dumienu apemfo ene abatan a omanofo entimi no bi FDA ahwehwe sa adwade nkratomu agye atumi se ye
Japa Roofing, I work quicker Japa Enterprise at the ultimate premium long span self lock number.
And Chelsea Papa, I'm a to swa about Dambomu.
Japa Roofing long span self locker, your friend ultimate premium no a papa.
Nane boss so dear at the form sabre one antiano. Sa what the bow dance and fear to pay na at Tidiati.
Japa Roofing, I want a dear near, yet the board dance so your papa, I send you just an improve.
And it is a sorry dang, and cra, and Master Jumakobi.
But what they say, what do you need to check Japa Roofing as well? Japa Roofing Erotas and Air Strong Crew.
What the bow dance over 40 to 50 years, na at Tidiati. Na Sano Juma F say, ya redare our Adan Bosso, free transport within Kumasi, free estimate, yama 5% discount, our Niama Obatoso.
Ube Japa Roofing, our Tafupan Chrono Contempono so.
Bonsomu and the Kodia Jansin, Fimfi Hope. Frewon, I was 0504 888830 0271 322152.
Japa Roofing, quality assured.
Ruma Fertility and Specialist Hospital. Aya yare sabia sronkwa e demofo a Ghana ha. Yede abefo mfidie papa horo na ehwani mani pabiara kwankro yade adoko no. Nyana yare sapre kope. Awo aya wokodana na. Efiade do sen na wachi aya sabia horo. Nanso ensiaga. Menua. Ruma Fertility and Specialist Hospital. Aba ma wai. Kasia broswo. Akoma yade, kokram yade horo. Prostate cancer, cervical cancer, and breast cancer. Free disease yade e ha manfo bebre eno nti Roman nam enyendu fosku dam foso beto yare no te amaw e kwa ni ankwankra Roma beboa mo ama mo asi yare ho kwan obehu Roma Fertility and Specialist Hospital mo asi ebo IPT junction e be asi ebo fitting area frayen ho 0204 227858 ana 0269 987479 ana say 0543 267273 Roma ye shopine nyame bokai atumo
Odige microphone all right. Also quiet confirm. Oh my God. Odige we have a god here.
Kofi intimate come.
Good. Francois.
Kofi.
I don't know cause.
Oh Kofi bibia come Kofi na lu say ne. Oko afija sache ayi
ya chiao.
Oh mama come asem.
Ah,
na na wo no asem.
Fa catch.
Aguna. MP. Oh, no.
So I friends a lady in friends.
Maybe
and cancer board the deputy road minister.
Sa. And then na woda.
I see.
Now call race course so ah. Unu
Obaya race course.
Give
me pa.
What fast no? Me pena sem rough.
And then see na woda. Unim say na no me da. Odike. Na no me da. Na my wife awoda.
Oh.
Na
wo ka kire me se ka me man twitche unim tie aka me man akọ ayi obi me na akọ ayi wo na he na no
on say ma woda bia for the past 5 years every birthday bia whether I say me ba and amia na my wife banners and they provide pizza.
Oh sir.
Oh yes, I mean for the past 5 years banners the best pizza.
Oh, pizza there.
Hey, banners.
But minim
I may Methodist. Auntie
Kobi ayi ya na nyumro ni ha. Kamema what try pie pizza so ha there.
Me what the bar meje. Yeah.
No, we na nyumre.
So wo share me.
Am I on?
Am I? But and yeah. Odike mame na bana asase. I mean the pizza is the best.
Seriously?
I tell you, she has one of the best pizza.
Oh
no, tambia bana na pekra kwa bana's pizza. Enti me da bana asase. Ena me kotena
deputy pizza no unkwa na odi
there be ya kotena Cozy Lodge.
One of family.
Small. We COVID.
So next time you invite you
I'm invite them. Ya kotena Cozy Lodge. Cozy Lodge Shasta CEO no enso ye Rotarian. Yes, we're fellow Rotarian.
Oh, okay.
And he also provided in a
your friend say
Shasta. Cozy Lodge. That is a popular name.
Okay.
Cozy Lodge. They are all Rotarians.
Oh, okay.
They are club members.
Oh, I see.
They are members of the saving.
Levels upon levels.
Obi sam me kwai. Sam se me call Akoma FM. No say why na wo? And I'm say Kofi Asante. O say no, unbakona what to come from Asante.
Oh, okay.
I'm so I feel some.
Aye.
O say na edia pa na eyifo hu ya e say sikasa na nko yin free Israel FM.
Aye.
Because he was
and
one say and it was all about praises, and all kind of track record, the kind of we all see you near research.
What did you
No, best call. Best call. It could be an opinion. In fact, yeah, shall wipe. What's your man?
If any patience Asante. Or senior matron or KSTS.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
KSTS here.
KSTS here.
Oh, I see.
Do
you start your matron hatch?
Actually, I transferred about her, I think, so a year or two now. I think just a year or two.
Oh, sir. Oh, that's good.
I'm a drink.
I'm on the drink.
And
I feel you did
what did me about what now I said that.
Yeah, Jesus, Obi no adoro awamo na wa ma wa o pese ma me ba obewuru so wadi bi uru anu de awamo na fa wa no ya dia mu fa ya no keke
enti wadi dia me wadi dia me amana broso wadi
abubu me bo me so me de so kachi
and there be enti
na odike na wo ye ka o ka bi
ai ba Francois de na wa ye nkwale as a Syria college obi a feel just almost feel and one year he put praises on you and I just hey unia wo mu didi amambini o na mini ana
anye ade ba ko a eso eni die de manipa
no clear
eni ma ho fama ma ho brase tembia no omunim se meni bi Kofi omunim se
I need you win shada ni bi
but kakra na
wo no
me wo no me make sure say kete
odike na ifan when did dey
there be na
when Francois dey e ma hobi e be bi so a
me catch and say so person e fa na djuma mu ha say
na ho cry mo
because
ana open manager e
kamera be sam pra
na ko pra me my office because how they say when need that in the
I think say you need such people Kofi I now understand the odike and I understand why people always say marketing so you first certain people in certain because almost cheap businesses so you can imagine say
maybe fancy so na me nchira de na or you very yipa or cheap business pa bibia
you say
odike
you say Kofi
we say mama menche what you dey just
I think say
yes
say unya such people
yes
and I believe say me new dike based on
ba o ba nyina anya bibia o the friend anu ba nyina no we nyina ka ho bia
ebemba ne ha emma no so one friend cry yem friend omni program cry ba shede twemu
na ye ntia
apa be program go be
akrantia si didi kwa anwa
obi ma me mfa konya so fa mo ye Syria college no so
me das
abaso because wo mo ye nkofo bi a Akoma eta patch no anopa ewia enyumre sometimes I wonder say ya na omo nchen no ayi radio sisi nchen at every point in time.
They monitor almost every radio station.
You understand? Because say yes, sports. Very
interesting.
You understand? It they are doing a yeoman's job. Yeah. Me as regional organizer no. Adie bia it just say me make kram. Omunim say nti say me de 5 series. Omunim say every month bia no me ye bibi kakra e dey support to am. So and I believe say in one way or the other.
Yeah.
Binim ye say ye be hye enima pap enima papa ebere ebeba.
By microphone
permanent then boost to moral. Oh, the way the papa, I know you.
Yeah.
But I was say, Mumpedi for it taking upon themselves, say,
yeah,
fix you permanently. Now, financially independent, a bebwa.
It's true, and I make her way in the not so. There are several officers like the communicators, so. A radio a customer party no anopa a numerous no almost so a just party no
now Francois Mumpedi from up mama woman. A be a minister, a be a DC, a be a what have you. I don't know Mumpedi man crying with the
oh, minimum.
I'm gonna push him about baby. I'm one.
Yeah.
It was my code, some cow who push you.
Yeah.
Sadly, I know.
For that is true.
Yes. We Makuma Swadi and say, moving forward, no.
Okay.
As Enche be a Bible appointed CEO's name.
Na be pebe dodo na do be o ma she be.
Na almost one more kono.
Okay.
Almost a form for.
A form for.
So because said the bear we will all move along.
Mube develop together.
But Kobase, the appoint you as CEO.
Now
the appoint you as deputy minister, appoint you as minister, MMDC, or your government appointee. Na teku na simpoa. Say we be say adwuma bi contract bi na beba. So serial callers we mu die ni. So to make an answer.
That's a good microphone.
Almost so who say
okay.
At least they are also benefiting.
Century me anopay century kasai on floods issues and how devastating and I started to turn a coso havoc. As a matter of fact, nipa beye and almost 10 and I'm sure one I have for region. It's only top Friday no light a home tiagu a dinosaur a busian song and a woo on the spots. We're rolling it on our Facebook page. See in the video. Now Oba Achumakwa Homa Heya and so district nipa mi you and nsuo ne to my dan ebuegu family ni so Oba na okunu omunyina so nsuo na started flooding for many areas. So the afibia ye kan nsuo na started to talk. What are we not doing right? And how can we fix this system?
Kofi Asante.
Odike.
Me da wase bebre. Me chia otekoko so.
Yeah.
Me chia menhia mpanimfo nyina. UPP ma majibriti e Chairman Forsen. Francis General Secretary. Me chia sofo. Kofi Sankrofo ya mbondi o ankrofo.
We ni am.
Me chia Madam for Bishop o wadum.
Yes, the weekend you cram anything come Bishop Odrosa.
Yes, and I come and come out Pancrono. Kofi, the problem we have in this country is the old order must change and give way to new. And only idea a bit Ghana. Kofi, we are not innovative.
Okay.
And idea near Jatua. Near fear as people continuity a problem in abide fem a problem o share yen succession plan abusuam kra no obi be dia dia yen ni hihye ya eboa ma wode ajapade a dia hye ne nsa no eboa fomfo wohwe awom totoasom ye ma ye di ade ene ko Asante tanu ma Kofi edan bi wo ha ye di amama obi a wo one room obi an be so di nska be renovate dan no ni nyina asafo ashtown bantama baabi ankrofo edidi ade a ye eja na chema ne ma no ubon se fie no pro obi anya na to say odiniska be wuram
okay
eti yes succession plan as a nation ukọ konfanoche na siri bi na anya na adwuma yie na akọ kasa pe osenyo na fa madwuma mi ko mi school na awai ukọ aban adwuma mu ensem na ye basa ni nyina ne say we are not innovative. We don't devise impoverishment. Ebebwama omana kwa nenim. Technological advancement. Aboye. Kofi. Okay, say. Era Rollins pension.
Yeah.
Or the self-help electrification program by.
Yeah.
Krobia mo to tomu post any idea. Now baya bebwama no mo nyankania. You remember that? I was say affected housing in the rural areas. And the technology about Kofi Asante ura ekurebiasia atakwa me dano mutimu no ye wo innovation ye betimi dey see that boss within 1 week.
Yeah.
Mother so te atakwa me dano
no be crowd the plastics here to be rubbers need those things e dey see that I think Ghana first or so.
What you say? And every partition bia no o ma ye no the concrete fabrication or ha ye hye ye gu concrete ni na the whole one day ade chia ne aye form ade chia ne aboso na mutida no mu pie ya ne cement form no aye partition mo akotena fie no aye ka se the rural areas near a self-help project ya edanda da bia obi abedane mo very simple. The better must say yenkuro dada ni nyinam yenkuro nketo na mana be krabehwe but you need vision, you need focus on this. Electricity for I ni pay wu because of wire sending am soro and na krobia de wire fa form krobia the transmission wires and distribution wires nyina fa form anka Kofi Asante sa cover takese de ekwan ya de chef for mana ayi for electricity for lines na mu PNT for telecom for de na mu we de na mu and that company bi ba no abetutu na foforo ba no abetutu na foforo ba no abetutu ba oh et common sense ye ben for de abom sa yes ne wada foforo ba wo mu tutu amana wo mu kwa say ayi MTF4 extension wo mu tutu amana. We need to innovate as people. Na yema ya dwene nya hyehyehye na de Ghana ya dere krono emwayen ya agriculture nyina akachi ya housing project schemes akachi with the ba infrastructural development akachi. Kofi, I think everything is not right in this country. Na de am ya pa ne say Nana Akufo-Addo no wa Ghana so many experience under his sleeves. Or what me our witness previous regimes, both bad and good. And can himself obey. Koba be ya dia na anwaso. Nana do buy no was had yakuachi over 30 years.
Yeah, Beba Nana do and his administration, but me perceive a limit here home for now. You share this perennial flooding a cost in the region. Assembly no ejuma es omoya omonye. And who can we hold responsible?
Kofi, your powers not hanging crime. Okay. Your local governance system structure no, and your papa, it is not bearing on the people. What did I mention? I say, I was saying the empower women in our local governance structure. Assembly members, unit committee members, and him for any. Those in the community.
Yeah.
Any kwase DC krano ne powers kwaya kesesene assembly member. No. Yeah. Say pese Ghana proper decentralized system. A benya impact, direct impact on the people. I was a manage in a free form, which is the assembly members. Omun also muma permit. Assembly members also muma permit. Or your momo powers extrajudicial powers a wɔn didi asɛm.
wɔn nso wɔn nyɛ corrupt.
meba wura yɛn deɛ yɛn nuru hɔ.
Okay.
I am devising an institutional framework.
Okay.
That will respond to our current needs.
Okay.
It is not about who is the assemblyman.
Okay.
It is about the concept,
the system.
The system that is going to have direct impact on the people, regardless of who is their president, the chair, Mematudin, local administrative authority. Or here on one of the custodian of the lands. And sase o nyinara yereba beto assembly ye be ye ehon krata beto ni tomu kra no our assembly members no should be part of it. And then we see drawings any bibia they should be part. Where is it going to be situated? They have to be part. We been in irinya asemo a eni kwa say court. I will say pass it through death and birth certificate. I will say pass it through them. Family issues. Tivri, all these things that beneath will be afraid to delegate. Apra
sit down crana. I say woman a share.
Woman else my permit. Yama permit. They don't go there crowd see. Assembly man Kobeba Buagono. On my permit was had a implement for dance. We won't give you permit. Now try. Mema Koma for Natina, Yenaya Butuba Buagu. So they have taken the enclave powers into themselves. I don't come for you can say we are Nagasi at one Zumula Bepra and Ano Kofi Asante. We are Rawosem. Covid by Nana Kufa Matran crying. Any Zumla I am Krata say on spray markets. Any school there be at the cost of $600 million. Nagasi is $600 million. And you see a charm assembly members.
No more
engaging Californian
But I also agree Kakrato because the Zoom Lion the buyer I think the Zoom Lion the facilities. Go ahead near my crowd woman. You may not have that
representation. No. Kofi
because Zoom Lion near my crowd woman materials you may not have any kokopia cleaner.
It is not true. It is a big lie. Yes, Coco, a fool, yes, place, now, your papa. Ye moto bruma. I near the Ashich, near the Yamomu DDT. And no method nebula, Zoom no more car. I confess at the message. No more car, the bass and Asante. Oh, confess Asante, listen to me. Kano, ever bulk water. Bet me I had manager. But I see spread my cousin's kuma. Do we need this car there? Wabra moto bet my head man.
Okay.
Yes, spread me come at my cousin Joma. Do we need this car there?
No, to that extent, I think I agree with you.
So our local governance system, no, and yadia a practicable, a theory. It is not giving the needed response for Ghana for it. It is a Yakupo Ghana for to Abamamia. Assembly concept, you know. May the German type live in a bar. German, the other day, one of we are responsible for one Montemo.
Okay.
Obi Finkai and Machamo de Monia Montemo.
Nasa no federal.
Oh, and yes,
we are not in federal.
Oh, listen to me, listen. Kofi, my government will school. System be a bebuana impact on the people. No?
This is a unitary state.
Oh, for say capitalism, communism, the liberalism beto. Federal system, will be a year you could follow system be kind of one boy. Bibian will see a quite. It is my device concept to be a matudin quasi federation.
Okay.
Part of federal system. The young papa no, my papa, and I blended with unitary type of governance. Yeah. We need to reduce the powers of the executive. A center or center no. Now you transfer the people at the grassroots. They are the last leg of development. It is not in Ghana Shemla say it may affect my life. Wabra wunim your traditional way of living. wabra winim our priorities na Kofi eno na ma ye hihye ni nyina no a take nose dive entimi nya impact on the people na nipa no motentem on say ensu ato this year eda 1 2 3 na ama akoso saade no ya botwobo ye buagu every na kwede mra no ahye assemblymen sem say obesi da on ma permit it all be a flood prone areas why away if you ahia onim obi ahia de say nipa no ye de na sinchen yes why irrelevant ana bob nkwan no timi de hye bob ahye no timi de hye Kofi ye di agro the power na e was center no is so excessive and a corrupt system no. Yes, there is a saying in government, yes, power corrupts, absolute power corrupts absolutely. We need to transfer most of the powers, no. Now you devising a new concept of as local government. Local government, no, potemu amemu. And the yes is no, you can't paper so, but executive arm of government amemu. And ama yenya sa unity.
Okay.
Perennial flooding, yeah. Electricity. Starting any innovations.
Okay.
Sebaya mode ye kanya ye wires ni na be perform. Very very important. Oyankopɔ kra ni ye fa plasu okora de. High tension asi na me komewo sa TUC la ni su nyina esi high tension asi.
Oh yeah.
We are waiting say eda bibi besie ansan de nyina ya ka ho asem.
I know you are right.
And so assemblyman bi wo wa won na ye jama for friend minister president. Emra want time on na ye adwuma. And I believe say emra so say Ghana is sign niam bebrebe. Na ye nya a system that works. Francois Baba politics wo. But the bottom line,
you are not speaking for Francois. I allow him no me Canada. Hey, be quiet today. He will come and say, "Sir, Odike, you work on ye." But when you Francois do and so na marry, and now what to know for so you are speaking the mind of Francois.
Francois,
and that is so serious.
Mameka say back control. Francois to know any papa. Why you be me admire so much.
Who say abona bread so?
Why any papa? But you know defending defense. Adia apratiti no person. O ma say I don't know what the problem. Now Francois pass a person. I want to wait.
Why is a good man?
Final gentleman or come. But o defending defensible.
On that note, I tell you this is a very important message. Muntie mame. Meba Francois. Where there why be you are no.
Hwɛ sɛ hwehwɛ akokɔnama na no su dɛdɛɛdɛw no mu twan kama no days bando na enyigya abefia no Boris Bees chicken BBC na hwehwɛ yes hwɛ akokɔnama area na ka the good old taste of efia akokɔ yeah Boris Bees chicken BBC fresh tasty delicious Bra Boris Bees chicken na bejewo full frozen chicken gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, nonye chicken liver. Missy, if you when you're budget one day, seria party, picnic, buffet, restaurant, and now so a says bana, bejo fresh, tasty, delicious chicken, or a halal, in so biara butumaribi. Fred Boris Bees Farms hotline 05 444 44453. Bisayan branch or Beno, Nabra, bejo akokonamate. Boris Bees chicken, BBC. Proudly a Fiakoko.
Ruma Fertility and Specialist Hospital. Aya yare sabia sonkwa e demofwa o Ghana ha. Yedi abefo fidie papa horo na ehwani mani paduara kwanko yade adoko na na yare sapre. Awo aya okodana na. Ifie bo sen na wachi aya sabia horo nanso ensiaga. Menua. Ruma Fertility and Specialist Hospital aba mawai. Kasie boswo Akoma yade kopram yade horo, prostate cancer, cervical cancer and breast cancer. firi di ne sisi yadeɛ ɛha amanfo bebree ɛno nti roma nam ɛnindufo kudamfo so bɛte oyare no tɛ ama wo ɛkɔakɔ ne ankwankwa roma bɛboa mo ama mo asi yare ho kwan wobɛhu roma fertility and specialist hospital wɔ asiɛbo a IPT junction ɛbɛn asiɛbo a fitting area fra yɛn wɔ 0204 227858 anaa 0269 987479 anase 0543 267273. Roma, you shopine, Nyame Boko.
Sema me fiti ase wo ye fruit salad. Ne ni dia befi. Fruit salad wo de fruit te sanka, bofre, mango ni guava aye no. Eye ode nko a. Nenya ne denko. Esam ma wo bohye se adepa wo fruit mu a ye friend vitamin C ana ascorbic acid no. Ubenya ehun faso. Sara nso na ampon sefa edro citrus seed ede na vitamin C ya hyenoma. Se wo fra citrus seed de biara eboa wo mo wakro wuntem. Eboa wo honam ma ne timi cold ne flu ne kata. Eboa wo ma wo honam ne da ho na epagya wo ahoɔden a wo de kunyare wa pii. Enti citrus seed boa kwan bebre so. Entienie for citrus seed nanya emu afɔden pa no.
FD ahwehwɛ sa adwadie nkratoi agye atum sɛ ɛyɛ.
Citrus seed ade pankwa.
21st clinic say eba sciatica no ho every usisi mu
Akoma FM 87.9
fa usrem ekosi wo na ase ho no ebo betimi atutu ama wo ankasa wo hu ba bi enye enti 21st clinic wo mu na ye sciatica expert e wo Ghana ha wo mu de bibiduro so ho bibiduro ankasa ene besa o yade no masa de machine aka ho yade bibiduro ka ho ne asa de wato machine so ya san ya o massage bi ye wi a herbal treatment yade awono ama ho eye sciatica 21st clinic na ye expert a wo tu ase Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho enkran domi market wo ho heavy do dan ni mo ho ena kuma senso ahia udu session so wo mo na nie dwabo so wo mo ho sunyane ni wenchi ni ba bia nkranza 0540 311 311 0540-311-311. That's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Ladies and gentlemen, media center de biabrewo. Alaska Star Enterprise edit 3D wallpapers for Abeja. Young boys, young girls, and Pennyfonia. So baby, you bring a 3D wallpapers. With the bow demo and 10 to the and the Alaska Star Enterprise. Color be our design be our say you plain color so shiny break so a pusudio. Come with you, new baby. I want Sabeka. Now, me say the quality ni dear. Ah, no size. None of one so dear. At the form come. Alaska Star Enterprise. Your circle tiptoe lane. Yeni circle more any other rice ne dish yeni. And our friend, it was 0244 105 135. Kuma says so you will doom. Ye ben Prudential Plaza. Yeni Boss FM in a dish yeni. Friend 0554 114 878. And our 0268 419 569. Alaska Star Enterprise. Beauty for creativity.
What else?
Now me say, a free brand who wo. The bia we are active, very strong and energetic.
We are 100%. Na nyina ne sadie, me hwe me ni padua sofa. Na de boa me, mama hoden, mama timi kwa bada. Ene tabia zanika heba Mr.
Tabia zanika heba Mr. Ah, what do you want dance here cheme?
Ho dance here de, enya wonko. Me de dawure na ato so. Na medie kira nipa mpempem. Tabia zanika heba Mr. Ma to ne din nyamyama. Sa wonom a, emenkwamu a, ewo nipadua no mu a, ye fra mu asojafo. Eye wide blasters na hoden. Enti nipadua ni nya hoden soronko. Kutia yare ahodo bebre. Enti wonta nyare, enti na dam ye strong no. Eye general well-being of the body. Enti ye adwuma ewo nipadua na kwa no mu ba bia.
Me a metumi hu. Ene se busua bia hia.
Eye busua nchemfa. Se obi de ne ho to tabia zanika heba Mr. so a. Eden se obeyare. Na nya na ewo ba bia tonto aduro bia. Hye ne nso se obi a onya mfinhye dumienu. Apemfo ene abatan a oma omanofo entimi no bi. FDA ahwehwe sa adwade nkratomu mu agye atumi se ye.
Okay, for we are back. Higher Akoma 87.9 FM. We need Aduanaba Kofi Asante. Francois, Mamitio, sa a perennial water flooding.
FM 87.9.
Then pesa me offer ba na ya chia.
Ofanya ma ya chia mo. Asumdua ba ya damase. Se bibia ye pepepe. Mo mpae no so. Mo ba mo bi mame. Na mi tumi fa kunya na me nsa Ghana.
Kofi
Yeah, my fa konya Sifanchia, the party mpanyinfo, regional minister, regional chairman, regional executives, constituency executives, MPs, MMDC, CEOs, some free Asante man polling station for me am conscience as kwa na mo wegobi. Dey be also over tram radio so ya cha skwa mine. Cause some tie pa me MP, Madam Patricia Pede. Kobi na me nua odike ho.
Yeah.
Menim na o ka bibi se ochia enkemofo no. Na ka obi anka wo president dey em yaso asori. Obi a wo president dey. Me who da ko bi anase bi Asante be corrected. Senka bi afiso a. Nanka bi odike enkemofo yi. Oh, nanka bi nationwide. Wo da Akoma na so omonyi we emfa mompaye.
Okay.
Anase bi as a potential president or person we nanka bi that day now ko bi last week ko ka regional minister ho
Akoma.
Okay.
87.9
Askroma MC.
Okay.
Ko ayi your friend saying Central Mosque.
Okay.
And then kromofo nyina ko som ye. Etika wo de care wo ti here a wo betra wo che mo say wo mompa ye ma we. Oh, nanka wo mo that day no dru ye na wo mo bompa ye no. So omo bompa ye no. Nanka etwa senka odike. Ah, wo pe president adi. Enka wo no mu nyina akọ asori na akọ som. At least when nya bibi kura ma omo kura na. Wo mama me ya no, o me ya no. Se die on try. One this time, good morning. What chira wo ho dodo? Wo ye huhu dodo.
Over day.
Kofi odike busa François Sem. Ujita wani asese. Ujita wani ase wo koni ho a. No play the devil's advocate.
Of us
mempene.
Of me wa asa me tretre.
Adi na tretre. Alaji. Edi wo ye tu no do alaji. Mani nya no. Se sakura century dia ba. Se question dia obusa no wa ma Kofi as idea. François. Na bi na fi na me sati kasa. Oh.
Sa.
Edi no wo Kofi as to chiro ho do.
Afi na ma sati kasa o.
Of mu nyina aye me awo nti ara me pese obi be.
Da bi o sisi no.
Sa.
Ye buse obi. Afi na asisa.
Gobi.
Yes ma ka bia ma.
Ene no kama me. Won che me de o kama me. Je no ho kra mo wa. Wa elite. Wo be du aseso a. Wo nya elite.
Kasa wi asa na makasa.
Wo ya asem.
So kasa wi na man kasa. My elite.
Alaji.
Wo je petrol kwa.
Hey.
Wo abe mo je petrol kwa.
François we dey you are no. François you are
me.
Yes, so je petrol.
Me akwesi adumako. As the regional organizer of the party, me am ntom petrol. Me dru ase ha say. Wo de ka wo ka petrol asem. Then wo Land Cruiser EGC so for 2 hours in the program. Wo Land Cruiser EGC so you ask about aban na chi.
That one na me.
Driver there.
I'm a stop. Ona kaka. O ye o dia ba wa fa driver. Na be sia ba. Driver no. Wọ́n fẹ́ wúro yà hó.
No EGC so.
Obi. Drama this is so very much.
Ebi ase wo.
Wọ́n sọ fún mi àti ọ̀nà kẹ́tùyà. Ẹ̀dí sẹ́ni maami awọ́ dání nù yàrá.
No EGC so.
No EGC so.
Wọ́n kúrò náà draw my attention. Ẹ̀dá mi fẹ́ mi personal ID sọ nkọ́ stop nù.
Mini. What the country say? Remind me.
A sign of good enjoyment.
A pharmacy.
A pharmacy. Kobi.
Kobi. What has I say? A sign of good enjoyment.
But Kobi, on a more serious note.
Okay.
Ya wafa.
Yes.
Alaji. The money team was so. Say for that period. Oh, say yes. Well, easy. Say look at his age. Now what to me? Brano Baha Betrasi.
And only say Bassa or Bompa may now.
It's
been very great.
Now, Kofi. Catch a lad say. Catch a lad say. I come to know why we did.
Yes.
But me emo 5 kilo nibi any sugar
na say yanka o de command
Kofi but oh David yanka say Kofi on the other hand Kofi
we hwehwe ani mu ade che
and that is
we command wie
Kofi mama nka masem me kan si asem so
e dia na
okay so say omo ye wie so ye omo ku akokome wa
Pharisee fo adwuma na wo ye
and then Pharisee sem Kofi me expect say alaji so Kofi me expect say alaji so enka omo ya wie enka akoko na
bi enye we na omo che nam no omo ba ko bi ho omo che nam ba ko
aka 3 months
ba no de omo eno de 9
months
eno de omo be che eno de on de alaji bebre nam ba we nye we de omo che nam
yo ntino we should am kan me man tin kwa so
but wo so wa emo ne den
emo ne siche
ena de biem
ena e Lipton
ena de biem
ena pizza
What's up? 3 months.
Kofi usabeka. Because me person try.
Wa be mu po na ayi ese.
We go position.
Oh. Kofi. In fact, disaster who asem.
Yes. Afi aya trahaka.
Kofi
what are we not doing right?
I feel say onim. Ye nyina. As on my as citizens. Kofi, imagine say obi eti abayin bangalow or expect to say and I say abayin japade or expect to say abayin japade no timu no no aye hwe ha abayin na mfesika.
With a quick message Esther Champon I think we were UK was say Ghana for more decay chance na ongover o man 1 year na yenhwe ade na wodi tutua ya so me be di president
yeah
na yenhwe ha wo besi ebu o men
Kofi
was o man 1 year ya man 1 year
looking at the way Odike
but Esther Champo is in love with Odike's submission. Say it's a brilliant submission.
Or Kase free UK.
Yana ma wa ye yi. Me je be tu da bia ye dia bro na ya abo.
Kofi oh sometimes I won't say there are people are
Are they practical? Anya bukum na me.
Oh, Odike. Kan tu. Kofi. Kofi bi o ha. Obekasa bebe
Kofi.
Ya be sori no wa hwe amu e won fam.
Emono kebi adaso. Emfa wo de ebeto so de money ba. Go what the cash abo.
Da bia me Kofi abo. Kofi.
Yes sir.
You udi adike. Yes. I would say about submissions. They say it is easier said than done.
Yes.
More often than not. Only sometimes. And let me tell you, say, your way. I ask myself, say, have Ghanaians thought of how we even get that revenue to do what we are asking for? Kofi, it's not easy. So, as a person, me pay way. But at the end of the day, now show what catch ya. Now say, when you ma a just size kana, usaka, you know, would you na? It's easy. It could be the American say disaster.
Yeah.